Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, one-stop source for crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 460. Now, will Bitcoin, or can Bitcoin reach 50k? Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome, and if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be updated with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us when the stream is done, join us on Discord, link in the description. Thank you all for joining me here. You can also join me on Twitter. Links also in the description. Let's go through the chat real quick. Let's see who's in the house. Right. May, thank you for being here. Crypto Central. Remy, what's up?
What's up?
Joel, what's up? Gordon Gecko. Hey, man. Remy. And Joel. I'm the Elon Musk of Lurking. Awesome. Thank you for being here, man. Philip. Terry Tom Brown. Bring facts, dude. What's up? Poor Tuna. Douglas, Crypto Cat Lover. Andrew's in the house. Thank you for being here, man. Truth be told. Johan, thank you for being here. Antonio Vasquez, what's up? Make sure I'm caught up with everything. And, right, everything. I think I'm caught up with everything. Buenas. Hi there, Sergio. Thank you for being here. Yo, so let's move on to the actual thing. We're going to do everything. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Hope you're having a great time. Hope you enjoyed it. I hope you passed it with someone that's fun for you to hang out with, I guess. If you don't have a significant other, and if you have a significant other, I hope you had a great time. You're still having a great time. Thank you for joining me tonight for this awesome edition of the State of Crypto Valentine's Day. That's why I'm wearing red. But again, thank you all for joining me tonight. Oh, by the way, thanks, poor Tuna. If you guys don't like, I was hanging out in the chat yesterday, and some of you came in and hang out on the live chat on the Discord with me, which was really cool, man. Hey, Sleazy, what's up? How's it going, man? And if you did, I was sharing my screen, and we're like talking and just enjoying a good chat, and I was doing a little bit of charts, right? So if you were there, you probably got a little bit of like extra time. Like nothing private, but I just had the Bitcoin chart open. We were looking at this very nice wick going up, right around 11 to 12 p.m. or so. And I drew this when we were on that small chat. This is a measure move, right? And so this is the target that we're aiming for right now, 42,000 more or less. Depending on when we broke out somewhere up here. So targets get shifted right to there, and that's our actual target. But anyways, I was playing around with this idea of a rising wedge on Bitcoin, right, on a larger chart, and basically got that confirmation once we bounced here and made this line here, right? So again, we hit a resistance, and we're pushing down on Bitcoin, right? That's Bitcoin 1 hour. So let's move on to market cap, and we'll revisit this in a second and talk about that and what that potentially means for the market, right? Or for Bitcoin price. So market cap moving down. That's just not the market cap for crypto. There we go. Total crypto market cap sitting at $1.4 trillion. Still very good. Again, bearish divergence strong. Action to the downside. We're finally getting to play out a little bit. Breaking below that 2618. And again, nothing too bad. Nothing bullish else happening here. It just overbought it in 1.27. And that is pretty good, man. Stormborn boy, thanks for being here, man.
What's up?
You're all still buying? That's good, man. That's awesome, man. Thanks for being here, Alex Borland. Yeah, hope you guys are having a great day, dude. I am having a great day. I'm actually going to be drinking a little bit tonight. Not a lot, but, you know, I'm going to be enjoying a little bit of whiskey with you guys live tonight. So, if you have a drink, it is a good day to have a drink, I guess. So you have a drink, pour yourself one, and cheers, man. I'm going to have whiskey tonight. So, Scotch, single malt. It's going to be good, man. Gavin, what's up, man? What comes down must go up higher. Yes, I agree, man. What comes down must go up higher. Madison, thank you for being here. Can I add XLM to the list? Sure, I can add XLM to the list. Yeah. Great. I don't think there's a lot of requests that came through on the list. What's that? Instead of crypto, well, I'll get a whiskey during a flash crash night. Yeah, why not, dude? You know, it's Valentine's night, dude. Enjoy it. GRT, sure. Let's put GRT on the list as well. Fire sale? Yeah, it seems to be a sell, right? Madison, thank you for the kind donation. I really appreciate that. One quick second. It hasn't come through, though. I'll celebrate in a second, right? Once it rings and dings here on the stream, I'll go with that. Yeah, celebration, man. I'm pumped to see what's going to happen with that. Let's do XLM real quick. XLM and GRT, man. For some reason, it's not arriving yet. So there we go. It should be playing now. Yo, that's cool. Thank you very much for the kind donation. It's just a pair character. I thought I had a message. I was waiting for the message to play out. I think it's a sticker. It just says, it's a pair character punching the air with fist and bump written on the knuckles. Fist bump. Awesome. Thank you very much for that. I really appreciate it. Legendary.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. There we go. One up. Thank you so much for the kind donation. I really appreciate that. And it's so awesome. Thank you so much for starting the stream on the right foot. We already got 100 messages in already. Awesome, dude. EOS? Sure, man. Let's put EOS on the list. I'm trying to make sure I'm not missing anything here. That's so cool. I think we need more time to tell. Waiting for more analysis. All right. XRP, sure. Let's put XRP on the list. I'm just waiting out for some coins to be queued, right? GRT, EOS, and XRP. XRP, there we go. I think that's a new list so far. Anyways, let's move on to Bitcoin, right? There we are. Thank you guys. Cheers. I hope you're enjoying your Valentine's Day. Yeah, I know there's too many drawings. Yesterday, after we finished chatting on the Discord chat, I just shut down the PC and I forgot to save this. So it lost a lot of data last night.
Baby. All these sellers saying buy high, sell low. These guys talking straight L's.
I'm gonna have to up the volume here because it came out really, really low on mine. It says the bow and arrow. All the sellers saying buy high, sell low. These guys talking straight. Dude, thank you very much for the kind donation. I really appreciate it. Legendary, man. Thank you so much for that. There we go. One up. Thank you so much for that. I really appreciate that. Elizabeth, buenas noches. Buenas noches to you. Cheers, guys. I said cheers and I didn't drink, so. Oh, they're rare. So again, yeah, I know I've been getting these warnings. The data on the top saves, the data on the bottom against the indicator doesn't save. So I'm gonna I at least I can know what we talked about. So anyways, bearish divergence. Action on the downside. Again, it's fine for market cap. We're not really losing that much. We're just taking a 4% drop. I mean, we've seen drops larger than that happen. Look at this one here, man. This was like 13% and we recovered, right? This one over here, 5 or 8%, you know, yeah. And then this one also, right? Look, 4, 8, and then another 3. And look, we recovered, right? So again, not super worried about crypto right now. So, Kat, thank you for being here, man. Victor Reyna, thank you for being here as well. And let's keep rolling, man. Right, so Bitcoin. Let's check out Bitcoin dominance, 62.41. Again, gaining a little bit of dominance. That means just alts are bleeding a little bit faster, right? And we can check that out. I'll show you how in a second. Anyways, Bitcoin gaining 2.27% and 1.11% right now, sitting at 62.44. If we look at here, right, this is crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin. This is losing 6% right now, and just including Bitcoin is losing 4%, meaning that Bitcoin should be losing less than the other coins. And when we look at the price, we do see that, right? Sell, sell, sell. We went up 20%, down 4. Yeah. I'm waiting for that to play out as well. Yeah, there we go, man. It's catching up faster now.
Sell, sell, sell. We went up 20% and down 4%.
Yo, thank you very much for that. Yeah, I agree.
Say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
There we go. One up. So kind. Thank you so much for that. I really appreciate it. Barbara, how fast to rebound? Oh, we'll see. Right now, we're just starting to pull back. So, you know, let's wait for something to happen here. We still have a whole day to go. Again, that's how you can tell what's happening. Bitcoin futures, it opened, and I think we closed whatever gap we had. So we might have left the gap here on the 12th, and we're already closing it, right? So doing good. Again, we just closed the gap. That's fine. Now we can move wherever we want, right? ADA? Sure. Let's put ADA on the list. I'll queue it up in a second, right? I'm still going to go through Bitcoin, and then I'll put it on the actual text file that will be updated there. So thank you guys for this awesome stream and being here with me tonight. I really appreciate y'all. And I know you could be doing anything in the world right now, but you're choosing it to spend it with me, and that's pretty cool. I really appreciate y'all.
Buy high, sell low. Buy high, sell low. Come on, you know better.
Yeah, you only buy high and sell low. That's weird. Yeah, there we go.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you very much.
There we go. One up. Yo, that's a trader joke actually. When I was working for Glencore, which is a trading company, one of the jokes that we had, it was like that one, right? I was like, yeah, well, how you doing, man? Yeah, you know, I'm buying high, selling low, man. So yeah, it's actually, I find it particularly funny because I can relate to that one. So it's cool, man. Anyways, let's keep looking at this, right? Let's go to Bitcoin because this is where it's going to get interesting. Bitcoin on the daily, we're still holding on support here at 46,834. What's up? Yo.
If you're not buying high and selling low, you're doing IT wrong.
Dude, yeah. Did you hear that? It just said you're doing IT wrong. So insane, dude.
Say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you very much.
There we go. One up. Thank you so much for the kind donation. I really appreciate that. That's so cool. Anyways, we're pulling back down. We're trying to hold on support at 46,834. Let's see if we can manage to get a bounce here, man. Again, not sure what we're doing. We're upsloping consolidation, right? That we already determined. We have bearish divergence strong for action to downside, still anchoring to there yesterday. That's still tracking onto here. So again, you know, we know that there's a possibility for potential action to downside, right? What's that?
Make bread, don't tread.
Yeah, well, thank you very much for that. Make bread. Yeah. Legendary, man.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. There we go. One up, dude. That's, yeah, make bread, don't tread. Let's get this one. KSM. Yeah, KSM. Let's put it out here, man. KSM, dude. It's going on the list. So again, guys, if you request something, just put it at the state of crypto. Anyways, let's see. Moving down. Again, we don't have a lot happening here that is bullish on the daily, right? So let's go to the 4-hour charts. Yeah, we're holding out to our supports. We can see that we did come down and hit this area that we drew, I think yesterday or 2 days ago. 48,218. We had the bearish divergence. What's up, dude?
But you can only make bread by buying high and selling low. How can it ever go wrong?
I know, and the question is, how low can you go, man?
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you very much.
There we go. No, dude. Thanks so much for the kind donation, man. Arch, put up the set of crypto first, and I'll check it out for sure, man. Teha, go add the set of crypto, and then Arch, and I'll put in the list, right? Anyways, we have the bearish divergence for potential action to downside, and with that, I was probably targeting somewhere here. You know, we could go from back here to up here, and that will still be fine, right? So, probably drew this one last night when we were off the air. Yo, what's up?
Here you go. Limbo time.
Yeah, I know. How low can you go, right?
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. There we go. There we go. One up, dude. Thank you so much for that. And we could anchor it from up here to down here. Right, that'll be one way to anchor this one. And we'll check out the other one in a second, man. Oh, dude. Today's been a good day, man. It's a happy day, man. What do you guys do for Valentine's Day? Let me know in the chat. I'll see if I can catch up with some of that. What?
Sorry, man. A little tipsy. Not touching my wallets tonight, lol.
That's fun, dude. That's fine.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you.
There we go, man. There we go, dude. Let's do crypto. What the hell? Okay, you don't think there's, dude? Yeah, if you're tipsy, stay away from crypto, particularly trading. Arch. Sure, we'll put Arch on the list. Played Valheim. Dude, that's awesome, dude. For me, it was fun. I made ribs, and then we went out for ice cream and having wine with the wife in a little bit. So it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be an interesting night. So I'm stepping ahead. I actually don't think I'm drinking alone. My wife is drinking a gin, actually, so I made her a gin before I actually came here. So, you know, gotta be cool also, right? It would be sucky if, like, I come out of here tipsy and then she's like, you know, 100% sober. So I gotta level the playing field.
Only one thing I can do right now. Guess what it is?
Yeah, I can guess. I have a good guess. Is it gonna be LLLLLL or something like that? Legendary, dude. Thank you very much. That's awesome, dude. Let me keep... Bro, you argue with your wife about the dips? Oh, dude. I guess it could be a good argument. So, what's that, Gordon Gecko? It's a sticker, I guess. It's this pair character lifting some weight saying keep it up. Awesome, dude. Thank you very much for the kind donation, dude. Legendary, man. There we go. There we go, man. Battle for life. What's up? Why the crash? I'll tell you in a second, Mamba. That's
What's
another
going on in
donation.
crypto? Why the crash? I should trade holding hurts.
Dude, yeah.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
There we go, man. Holding hurts, dude. It, like, does it hurt that much? What price you get in, Mamba? Look, we have bearish divergence action to downside. We have this hidden bullish. That's fine. I mean, that hidden bullish would have been from here to here. We already have it traced. And then from here to here, also have that bearish divergence, right? So again, potential for action to downside. And on that, we're moving down again. Not super worried about this yet. We'll check it out on the other chart that we also had. Just see where we're at, right? Yo, Neo, please.
Neo, please. Been in since ANT days.
Sure, doesn't matter. Sure, dude. Thank you very much for the kind donation. Yo,
Say it with me.
legendary, man.
Thank you very much.
There we go, man. Let's do Neo, man. Let's do Neo. Let's keep rolling, dude. Again, we're moving down a little bit, breaking below that 20. Still trying to find support at 46,834. What's
Who can
up?
even say they bought high during these times? Are y'all that late?
Remy, thank you very much for that, dude.
I'm buying high and selling low. What else?
Sorry, another message came in. I thought it was gonna be that, dude. Link, sure. I'll put a link on the list. Thank you, guy, for Lit, sure. I'll put it on the list, dude. Dude. Alright, dude. Alright, so Lackbeer and Remy, to you both, I'll say legendary.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. There you go, 2 ups, because there was 2 different donations. So one came right after the other. So yes, let me actually update the list right now and finish Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin, Neo, and then I think that's the only one that comes in here, right? So XRP, hey, KSM, Arch, and Link.
Haha,
What's up?
got in early but reaching new highs. Kurt's losing the gains. Haha. Also, let's start tipping frenzy again.
What the hell, dude? Thank you very much for that, dude. I appreciate that.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. There we are, man. No, started dipping frenzy. Dude, please let me go through
Just
Bitcoin
done very well on
first, man.
BTC this weekend, mate. Smiley face. Can we start a donation war again? Love?
Oh, dude, Mark, thank you very much for that.
Audience, say it
Yo, legendary, man. There we are, dude. What up? That's awesome, dude. Yo, that's crazy. Dude, yeah. Anyways, we had this bearish divergence moving down, breaking below that 82,000, and now we're trying to hold support at 40,200, and now we're trying to hold support at 46,834. So again, low, high, negative, less negative, low, lower. Dude, we have some hidden divergence here against the RSI, and it's just very slight, but it's there. Look at this, from low to high, and from here to here. So on that note, we're neutral at 51.93, right? That is on this. So let's go to the 1 hour Bitcoin. And again, here's where it's gonna get interesting, right? Because I got just something to show here. What's up?
Let games begin.
Let games begin. All right, dude.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you very much.
Did I hear? Donation war /
Yeah, I think you heard right. Someone said that.
Thank you very much.
There we go. One up, guys. Please let me get through Bitcoin at least first. And I have a donation for Neo. Let me get through Bitcoin and Neo before you start the donation war, please, so I can get at least through the coin that got requested with a tip. On the 1 hour chart, right? We had this line here that I had drawn a little bit different than in the other chart. In the other chart, made a little bit more sense. I was drawing from up here. So we have a resistance overhead, low, high, negative, more negative, right? So I'm looking here at some divergence also, hidden bullish. So low, high, and then high to low, right? Oh, and the music seems to have stopped. Let's see if it keeps on going. It just all of a sudden became silent in my headset. There we go. What?
Donation war?
Yo.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary. Oh, sorry, another one's coming in.
Bought all my crypto this morning. Thinking about selling now.
Yo, dude.
Hail to the king, baby.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you very much.
Yo, to Lackbeer and Trampus, I'll give you 2 ups because the donations came together, man. Anyways, we have this hidden divergence for potential action to upside. So we're starting to move up a little bit on Bitcoin. And that is fine. But if, again, like I was hanging out yesterday on the Discord, right? On the Discord chat. And some of you guys came in and that was pretty cool. You know who was there hanging out with me. So again, we're breaking down, right? We're breaking down here and we're breaking down a horizon wedge. And I wrote this one out as we were live around midnight or so. Because Bitcoin started pumping and we're like, I was wondering, was it going to get higher, man? It wasn't getting there, but what?
Well,
I didn't do the R's, dude. It just did Wharf or something like that. That's awesome, dude.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. There you go. 1 up, dude. That's so cool. I thought I was going to do all the R's, but it just went Wharf. Anyways, target of the measure move of this wedge, right? Action to downside. What?
One up? FATALITY. Martin, you were LEGENDARY.
Dude, that's awesome, dude. Thank you very much for
Say
that.
it with me.
Legendary.
Very much.
There we go. Fatality, right? That's the one you wanted. That's awesome, dude. Mark Hill, what?
Lack is back in the house, haha. Hess a legend.
I know, dude.
Audience, say it with
So
me.
there you go. Legendary, man. There we go, man. Dude, that's so cool. Thank you guys for that. Anyways, Bearish Divergence, action to downside. Again, look, here we anchored from this high point, right? Not the low point like I had on the other one. So here we know that we're in a rising wedge. Regularly to downside. Again, potential to target hit 43,000, right? That's a potential. Again, we could try to develop something else that is bullish to try to get us to go higher. We do have some hidden bullish, like I stated right here on this chart, some hidden bullish. Can get us to go up and at least retest the old resistance. What? That was crazy, dude.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. There we go. One up, dude. I'm not sure why the first time you said war, now it went R. Hell, dude. That just sounded so funny, man. Gavin, what's up?
Donation war? We'll make a large donation if we get 10 $5 donations from others. Smiley face.
Dude, that's awesome, dude.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary.
Thank you very much.
There we go. What up, guys? You know, it's been brought up, right? You don't know what's going to happen now. So, if you don't want to help me get a huge donation, just do a lot of $5 donations, I guess. So, 10 of those, and I guess something weird is going to happen, but thank you guys for being here. Anyways, Bearish Divergence, right? Moving down. We could retest this area on the hidden bullish, and on that, we could reject and see what's going to happen there. So, again, let's wait and see, right? Let's see how this is going to play out. I'm interested. We're holding support here at the 1618 on this chart. What's that? Mamba sent 5. All right. All right. So, I guess I'll keep track here. 2 of 10, right? 3 of 10 now.
War 5.
Right, dude. You guys. All right.
Hail to the king, baby.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary. 4, 5, dude. What the hell, dude? Dude, I'm gonna thank everyone at the end because right now I think it's just gonna go insane.
Card so little and often low.
6, 7, dude.
I got 5 on it.
I'm not gonna be able to get a word out here, man. Thank you very much. Dude, what the hell? Yeah, it's a bear character saying give it up. All right, I think I counted 7, man.
Challenge accepted. You are the real MVP, Martin.
Challenge accepted.
Challenge accepted. 2 more. 7, 8, 9. I think we just need 1 more, man. If I'm like calculating this properly, I think we're at 9. Dude, that's great. I know, dude. My throat's gonna die again. I think that makes it 10, man. I'm not sure.
And I know 10.
I think you guys did 10. Oh, man. That's great.
If Martin keeps laughing like this, he will sound like Barry White by next Friday.
I know. It's fine. It's crazy, dude. Anyways. Oh, dude. There's so many fun. Dude, that's enough to bring out Seamus, man. Let's bring him out. That's cool, man. Dude, I think we're at like 12 now. That's awesome, guys. Thank you very much for the support. To everyone that's doing this. Legendary, man.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Challenge accepted. Challenge concluded. That was so cool, man. Oh, dude, that was awesome.
Hail to the
king, baby. You guys are amazing, dude. Thank you all for the awesome help and the kind donations. Oh, dude, that's so insane. Cups are overflowing. Yeah, I know. I didn't empty it, and it just gets filled. So we'll see, man. On whiskey, yes, on whiskey. I'm drinking a whiskey. Anyways, that's it for Bitcoin, right? Let's say we pull back up, hit that area as resistance, and then we might drop more, right? Again, like I said, I'm trying to hold on I'm not trying. Bitcoin's trying to hold on to the 1618, right? We're just back above it, so that could be good. 47,213 right now. What's up, dude?
Lol, I'm trying to watch the charts out the corner of my eye, but I feel I'm missing out in the chat, lol.
Oh, thank you very much for that, dude.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. There we go. That's awesome. Hey, everyone, thank you so much for the donations, man. I really appreciate them. Dude, you guys are making me laugh so hard. My cheeks are starting to hurt. Oh. Let's keep rolling. What's up, dude? Something just happened.
Make it rain. Hail to the king, baby.
Hell yeah, for sure, man.
Hail to the king, baby.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. There we go, man. It's cool. Oh, dude, what the hell? Let's go to the next comment. Someone tipped for Neo. I gotta do Neo, guys. Let me get through that one. Let's keep the war going, or whatever's gonna happen. Because Neo came in with a tip, so let me do that one, right? Someone tipped for it, so I gotta give them their time, right? Oh, it's so cool, man. Like, if I keep on laughing like that, I'm actually gonna have to cut the stream short to like maybe 20 coins or something. It just depends on how bad my throat starts doing here. Oh man, let's get to the daily. Anyways, again, we talked about going extremely bullish, right? So we are going extremely bullish. We said it might not play out. We're still going way up higher, right? We knew a lot of odds in that crazy pump, right? So we're good here on Neo. Overbought at 50.64. What's up with that then?
We have a decent one on the way, Martin.
That's awesome, dude. Thank you. I really appreciate it, dude. Thank you very much for that.
Say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
There we go. What up? Dude, let's keep on going through Neo. Again, nothing here. Again, moving down, holding support at the 382. And that is fine for Neo right now on the daily. Let's go to the 4-hour chart here and see what's going on there, man. Yeah, that's so crazy. Oh, man. Here we're looking for bearish divergence, right? By going slightly higher. And we can tell that we're definitely getting some bearish divergence here, right? High to low. And again, we move down slightly on that. And that's fine again. Not really worried about this. Oh man, I'm starting to get nervous about that donation that's gonna come through, man. Dude, this trying to my what's up with that?
Here's another 5 spot. Don't worry, I sold blood today. I have cash to spare. Here is 10 BET for you while it's on sale.
Yeah, thank you very much for that, dude.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah, dude. I'll get VT with that, man. I'll actually write it down and then put that those need to go to VT, right? Oh man. All right, anyways, we had the bearish divergence moving down on that. Now we're starting to go higher, slightly higher here. Oh man, I'm trying to concentrate now. High to low and also high to low, right? So we have strong bearish divergence, and on that we're moving down. That is fine. The move got us to the 382. We're bouncing back up. We're still holding on to that 20 moving average. That means the dip is being bought, and that is pretty cool, man. Again, guys, if you like what we do here, hit like the button, the subs, join us on the Discord. Links in the description. Dude, it's so cool, man. Dude. Anyways, neutral at 54.30. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Higher high. And all right, so I'm just gonna call the last thing here. There's some point in going way back into history, right? We just want to care about what's happening right now. We have some strong bearish divergence. Actually, a downside. We try to hold support there at the 20, pumped, failed to get higher in the previous high again. Try to pump again, failed to get higher in the previous high. And then we're really taking that drop, right? I'm strong bearish divergence still. What's up with that? Yo, what the hell, dude?
Fatality. 0.49830000 ETA.
Dude.
Fatality.
Thank you very much.
Hail to the king, man. Yo, that's so awesome, dude. That's such a kind donation. I really appreciate that, dude. What the? I thought you said you're gonna stay away from crypto, man, because the wallets were not gonna be something you were gonna be touching tonight, bro. Thank you very much for that, dude. I really appreciate that, guys. That's amazing, man. What the hell, man? That's so cool. Dude. What's up, Casper? Thank you very much, Gavin, for that, man. And everyone that's been donating, thank you very much for that, man. That's insane, man. Yeah, dude. I still have a job, so for me to follow my dream, I really need to get rid of my job for that. Dude, I need to get like some consistency going on. But we'll talk about that on another day, man. That's crazy, man. Oh man, that's insane. Thank you very much for the kind donations, guys. That's so awesome, dude. I really appreciate it. That's insanely cool. Thank you guys for doing this amazing. Oh man, let's roll. Dude, my stomach's starting to hurt from laughing. It's just been a couple after the last couple of days. That's so cool, man. My voice is still here. Again, bearish divergence. We're starting to create some hidden bullish here, and we're going from here high slightly. We're going sideways here, and then we're dropping, right? So again, we're creating some medium bearish divergence. Best case scenario, we're creating some strong bearish divergence. Again, action to downside, moving down, finding support at 3 to 2. It looks like we want to bounce to that 50 again. So that's it for Neo, man. Again, I'm not seeing anything else here as a pattern. What? Yo.
Doubling down at 10 more $5 donations. Love you all, smile.
What the hell? I know, dude.
Audience, say it with me.
Lockyer, legendary, man.
Thank you very much.
There we go, man. Hail to the king. Oh, that's so cool, man. Oh man, that's crazy. So I think he said he's gonna double if we get 10 more 5 donations in a row. Oh man, that's cool. I'm trying to like catch my breath now. It's crazy, man. I got the camera, Gustavo. I'm here. It's here. I'm just waiting on some stuff to arrive. I purchased it yesterday. I showed it yesterday in the stream. I still need the cam link to get here and some other stuff, right? The power eliminator, but the camera's here, man. Right, new camera. Purchase, brand new. Still smells fresh out of the box. I just took some pictures today to make sure it was working right. Playing with the settings, etc. But the camera's here, man, right? And the chair's gonna be arriving on the week, so or I hope this week or early next week, hopefully. So we'll see. But that's so cool, guys. Thank you very much, man. Oh man, that's crazy. Thank you, Dolby. Let's keep rolling. Oh man. GMA's KSM, no man, we're still in Ethereum. We haven't moved much. Crypto Central, it just went insane. A lot of donations coming through, but thank you very much, man. Man, that's so crazy. Anyways, action to downside. Trying to pump on Neo, right? Let's move on to Ethereum. Oh my god, dude, that's so insane. Making sure everything here is on yeah, we're back down to lit. That's great, man. Oh man, that's insane. Oh, dude. It's crazy. Whew. Let's go to Ethereum. Oh, dude. That was insane, man. I know, dude. It's a really cool camera. It's gonna. Like, I already bought the tripod as well. I'm gonna set it back here and have a really good picture. And it's gonna be nice, man. It's gonna be really nice. Thank you, Gustavo. Gracias. I appreciate it. Yeah. So let's move on to the next one, man. Let's go to Ethereum, man. Ethereum at 1,720, right? What the hell?
I can't win the war, but I can assist from the back line with another volley of fivers. Pew, 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 pew.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary.
Thank you very much.
Pew, 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 pew. Oh, dude, that was funny. Did I lose my mind? No, I'm still here, man. My mind is still here. It's like I can't get through the show. Everyone's donating, man. Thank you very much. I think there's another one that's coming out right now. So it's going to be 3, I guess. Oh, man.
Let's do a tongue.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. Thank you very much for that. Dude. Oh, man, that's crazy, dude. Oh, man, I gotta stop laughing. I'm gonna lose my voice again. Oh, dude. Oh, man, let's keep rolling. Let's go to Ethereum. And let's see this. Low, lower, negative, or negative, and then low, lower. So on the 1 hour, I'm not finding anything. Let's go to the daily. Again, bearish divergence, action downside, moving down, hitting that 1,729. Trying to hold support there at 1,674. Again, we had the bearish divergence, action downside. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. Man, bearish divergence strong, action downside, breaking down on that. We called it yesterday. It was from here to here. Oh man, thank you guys for making me laugh so hard, man. I'm trying to preserve my voice now. It's still not feeling bad, but it's there, right? Laughing. It's so cool. Dude, Alex, dude, in the house. What's up, Alex Malera? I haven't seen you in a while, dude. Thank you for being here. That's insane, dude.
4 tenths.
Audience, say it
Come
with
on,
me.
guys. We can do this.
Legendary, man.
Thank you very much.
There we go. One up. Alex, thank you very much for the kind donation, dude. Dude, I haven't seen you in a long time. I hope you're doing good, man. It's great to see you here. Oh, dude, that's so insane, man. Thank you. You smell a war? Yeah, there was a war, dude. Someone actually took all your positions up there. Oh, man. Lackbear came in and started, like, you know, tipping insanely high, but that was really cool. Dude, yeah, there is a war going on. It's crazy. Mark Hill, there comes
All
another
the
one,
legends
dude.
are here tonight. Smiley face.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. Thank you very much for that. Dude, Alex Malero was actually the OG that tipped this channel a huge amount. And then he was like he's the original Lucky Charm, dude. He's the original Lucky Charm of the channel. So he came in, he gave us a donation in December, and after that, the channel just started picking up views, subs, everything, dude. We were like very few subs when he came in. And then Gavin came in a couple weeks ago, and then he's just been doing awesome by helping me out here. So it's pretty cool. And to everyone that's donating, not just Alex, but everyone that's donating, that's helping me get better equipment for the channel. I really thank you all, right? Not just Alex and Blackbeard, but y'all are awesome. Every donation counts, man. That's so cool.
Pew times 10. Pew, 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 pew.
All right, so Alex,
Audience, say it with me.
legendary, man. There we go. And Craig, dude, I'll do the same in a second as soon as Deadpool goes away. There we go.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
There we go. Oh, you talk about me on your Instagram? That's cool, man. That's awesome, man. I really appreciate it. I'm not sure what number we're at. I think we're like a 5 or 6 out of 10. Maybe I lost track, dude. I'll lose a legendary in my sleep, I know. That's cool that you talk about me on the Instagram. I really appreciate that, man. Oh, man. Anyways, it's an Untitled Legends, guys. We have people that really are helping the channel a lot. Everyone, right? Mark, Maddie, Lackvier, Gavin, Alex Malero, Jake, you know, Mamba. I'm trying to figure out Beach Jedi, Antonio Vasquez, Trampus, you know, everyone that's coming in and gave a tip, man. If I haven't said your name yet, I'm sorry, but there's so many tips coming through right now. I'm trying to keep track of who's donating, but thank y'all for that, man. I really appreciate y'all. Oh, man, that's so insane. Oh, no. Yeah, I appreciate that.
Audience, say it with me.
Oh, legendary, man. There we are. Alex Malera with an awesome donation. Dude, that's so cool. My cheek's starting to hurt again, dude. Dude. That's cool, though. We don't worry about it, man. I guess we're saying 9 out of 10. Cool. Craig saying I stole my grandma's credit card for the super chat. Oh man, that's not good. Don't take your grandma's money, dude. Again, sideways motion, lower. We don't have anything bullish right now. I'm starting to create some hidden bullish from way back here, though, right? Oh man, I need to start moving through this. dude. Here we are, man. All right, some hidden bullish divergence, potential fraction to the upside. Again, sitting sold right now at 38.45, and with that potential fraction to the upside, right? Let's see if we can hold on to this hidden bullish and see if we can manage to pump here on Ethereum, right? Again, it's gonna very likely depend on whatever Bitcoin does, man, right? What? I didn't block anyone, dude. I'm not even blocking people, Kevin. We don't kick people here. I don't kick people, Madison. Thank you, man. I mean, I don't ban people. I don't kick people. So I'm not even touching the chat, dude. So, oh man. Oh, dude. Yeah, if you do add the set of crypto out, yeah, that's how you get my attention usually. Oh man, that's so crazy. NMR, sure, I'll put them on the list, man. Ah, it's crazy, dude. All right, I'm gonna take advantage that, you know, the tipping war seems to be taking a ceasefire for me to be able to move through some coins, high, low, and then negative, more negative. That's fine. Nothing here that is bullish right now on Ethereum on the 1 hour chart, and with that, we'll just keep on moving, right? Let's go Binance. Ah, dude. Everything is bleeding. Yes, it is a red day. It's on Valentine's Day, so it's red, right? It's okay. Yeah, Alex, sure, man. Deal. What question do I need to answer? Oh, man, that's so crazy. Yeah, I'm also waiting for the question. We've actually moved on to and start doing Binance. Oh, man.
Saludos desde Colombia, parcero. Análisis BNB, porfa.
Yeah, man, that's actually the one we're going to do right now. Gustavo Juanes, thank you very much for the kind donation, dude. Legendary, man. There we go. One up. Thank you so much for that. Man, parcero, dude. I haven't heard that word in a while. Thank you very much for that. And Jay gave the last one, I think. Oh, man. I'm still waiting on Alex's donation, man. Not donation, not question. Oh, man. Let's see. I just thought he was gonna give a donation if I answer a question, but I haven't seen it come through. Yo, Jake, there we go. Awesome, dude. Legendary. There you go. One up. That's so crazy. We're going up or down, dude. We're pulling back. Oh man. All right, so first, right, you times, right, and then you add. So 2 times 4 is 8, plus 2 is 10, man. Alex, final answer, 10. Oh man, it's been sent. Oh my god, dude. Anyways, there's some strong bearish divergence happening here in Binance. I think this might be from the shorter timescales, but this one here is from the from daily. That's what I'm missing against this one up here, right? We had the strong bearish divergence fraction to the downside here on Binance, and with that, we're moving down a little bit. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. Again, on the 4 hour chart, we had this hidden bullish. We tried to rally on this, failing to get higher on the previous high. With that, we have continuation. What? What the hell, dude, Alex?
Fatality.
Thank you very much for that. There we go, man. It's like a double fatality, man. Dude, that's so cool, man. Dude, I really appreciate that, man. Oh, man, that's so cool, dude. Thank you for coming back, man. That's so awesome, dude. What the hell, dude? Oh, it's so awesome, dude. Oh, man. Let's roll, dude. Oh, man. I'm trying not to laugh so much right now. I'm trying to like preserve my voice, but it seems impossible, man. Yeah, by the way, guys, if you like what we do, hit the like the button stuff. Thank you, Montero. I appreciate it. Thank you for being here. Man, oh, dude. Oh, man, I'm trying to calm down. I know. It's a small community. It's a good community. I like the community, man. Dude, I know. Yeah, we'll see. Binance, right, on the 4 hour. Hidden bullish failing to get higher. Again, those were failing to get higher in the previous high, and we know potential action to downside, but we're moving with the rest of the market. It's hitting at $126.18 right now. It's just neutral at 50.62. Let's go to the 1 hour chart, dude. Gustavo said I should quit my job tomorrow. I don't think it's gonna be that quick, man. It would be really cool though, but I think that's possible. We'll see, man. Quit my job tomorrow. Not yet, man. Not yet. Dude, that's so amazing. Thank you, Alex, for the kind donation. I really appreciate that. Oh, dude, we have bearish divergence here. Strong, not strong, medium for potential action to downside. And that's what I'm looking at right now. Moving down to that, right? Bounce, fell to get higher in the previous high, and thus we're dropping. Low. We're about the same low. Nothing. Yeah, medium bullish, weak bullish, medium bullish right now. Going sideways here. I went from negative to last negative, right? So with that, we have that medium bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. Let's see if we can get this to go up, right? So that's gonna be it for Binance. Let me go to Litecoin. Oh, bro, my throat's gonna die here. Oh, dude, so cool. Thank you very much for the kind donation, man. What's up, dude? Oh, man, so crazy. I know, Tuna. I'm sorry, man. That's cool, man. What? Dude, what the hell?
Promise is a promise.
Say it with
Point
me.
2 for Jake. Point 2 for Soka. The rest is all yours, Martin. Appreciate you guys. Have a great night. Smile. 0.998300000 ETH.
That's so cool, dude. I appreciate that.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. Thank you very much for that. I really appreciate that. Yeah, dude. I'll Soak and Jay. They'll you know they'll get some of that, dude, for sure. All right, so, that's so cool, man. Dude, thank you very much for that. Does it matter? Says he loves this channel. That's cool. Antonio Vasquez says he loves the channel as well. Dude. It's so cool, dude. Oh man, dude. This is an insane stream, dude. Bro, what the hell? What, dude? Alex, dude, what the hell?
Audience, say it with me.
Dude, legendary, man. Thank you very much, dude. That's so cool, man. I forgot to do the fatalities on those. Fatalities. Those two fatalities that came through, man. Oh, dude. What the hell, dude? It's so cool, man. Thank you guys for the support. And thanks for, like, letting me know that Soak and Jake also need to get some of that. They always get anyways, but, thanks for letting me know how much of that you want me to assign to them. Oh, man. I should get Gavin flowers at least. I know, dude. Oh, man. I'm gonna send him a bottle of wine or something. It's gonna be so cool, man. Thank you so much for that, man. Oh, dude, I'm not sure, man. It's insane. It's crazy. It's what I can tell you. That's so insane. It's so crazy, man. Oh, bro. I know we're only the fourth coin, man. It's a crazy. I haven't been able to get through this, man. The tips are starting to fall off the glass.
Alex are absolutely brilliant, guys.
Dude, Mark, thank you very much for that, man. Legendary, man. That's so cool. Thank you, man. I'm not sure why did we go in on Nikki. Oh man. Oh, so cool. This making me laugh so hard, man. Oh, dude. Oh, crazy, man. Oh, I know it's just a 4 coin, man. Let's actually Litecoin's a 5th coin. Yeah, man. Oh, bro. Happy Valentine's, yeah. Yeah, I love you too, Gavin. Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. Alex, thank you for being here as well. Everyone that's donated, thank you for being here. And everyone that's watching, thank you for being here as well. Everyone that's here, man.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for making this stream awesome. Hail to the king, baby. Thank y'all for being here. Let's keep rolling, man. Yo, let's try later, Gavin. Man. Oh, bro. Chilling hit 30. I know y'all killing the channel. Slowly with love. Alex said something there. Chilling hit 30. This channel deserves share that. Yeah, it's awesome, bro. Yo, Bernardo, what's up, man? Thank you for being here. Good evening. Yeah, this is an insane night, man. Oh man, let's keep rolling, man. Let's do Litecoin. Do we do Litecoin on the daily? Yeah, we're already on the 1 hour, right? No, we haven't done it on the daily because I haven't adjusted here. Unless this is from the 4 hour, and I forgot to anchor, and it's from the 1 hour. We're looking for Bearish Divergence. Bro, crazy night, man. And we went higher, so that's fine. We talked about it being extremely bullish, so we don't have anything here right now. And with that, we're going to go to the 4 hour chart. In the 4 hour chart, we're looking for the Bearish Divergence. We still have it against the RSI if we keep on tracking, right? And then against the MACD, I'm not sure if we kept it. I think we lost it against the MACD. Oh, bro. Anyways, and with that, action to downside, right? Moving down on that, and that's fine. Low, high, negative, more negative. We're starting to create some hidden bullish divergence that could potentially try to get us to go slightly higher, if not sideways, or at least stop the bleeding a little bit before we continue bleeding, right? That's usually what the hidden bullish does. Again, retest of the 20 wouldn't be out of the question at 204. That would be very likely. We haven't done it yet. We could still do it. And yeah, let's look at this here, right? Negative, more negative, and then lower still, man. That's so insane, man. I'm still trying to process the stream. Instead of crypto, has the USDT Binance. I'm not sure we can do the Gary Bassett coin, dude. The Gavin Bassett coin, man. Oh, dude, that's so crazy, man. Oh, man, that's so insane. I'm like trying to concentrate and do the stream at the same time. Alex says, Gavin, we need to collaborate on donations. Yeah, that's cool. I'm not sure if he's still here, man. I think he's still here. Why is he not letting me type here, man? Oh, he's still here. So yeah, dude, my ears feel like they're on fire, dude, and I'm like starting to sweat bullets here. It's such a crazy stream, dude. Oh man, this is so insane. Oh, bro. That's so insane, man. I have no idea what's happening with Bitcoin right now. That's cool. We can recap it in a little bit, man. Right. Anyways, hidden bullish. Potential for action to the upside. Let's see if we can continue having this. And on that, let's move on to the 1 hour chart. Dude, that's so crazy. That is a crazy stream tonight. Oh, man. Am I okay? Yeah, dude, I'm not sure. I'm starting to feel really hot. Man, I'm actually rolling up my sleeves right now. I'm good, man. I'm good. I'm just, you know. It is a little bit hotter today. It feels like stuff in the room, so. Bitcoin Jack, need a shirt. That's insane, man. Oh, and then this also makes it really hot, man. So, you know, I'm gonna remove this from my neck right now. I'm gonna set him here so he's still on the stream, chilling with y'all. He might be a little bit too bright there, but we'll figure it out, man. Maybe there we go, man. There's Seamus. I want to keep on going through the stream. Take a cold drink. I am drinking some whiskey, dude. So I cannot drink a lot of cold stuff because my throat got damaged the other day. So I'm actually taking it really, really slow, man. All right. Let's go here, right? We're looking for the bearish divergence. We moved down on that, hit that 20 and bounced. That's great. Nothing off with that. Here we're creating this bullish divergence also, right? From here to here and from here to here. With that, we have that strong bearish divergence. Action to downside, low, slightly high, negative, more negative, low, and lower still, right? So with that, we have some hidden bullish still. We're trying to hold on to as, sideways motion. We pumped a little bit in the last candle. Right now, we're starting to move down a little bit. And again, that's just what we're expecting to see with the hidden divergence, right? Sideways motion, if not a reversal happening or continuation. So, yo, Shama's face, it looks like he's has bottomless beer mug. Yeah, he's actually quite wasted. Oh man, what's up, John? Thank you for being here.
What's up?
I'm gonna move through. I'm gonna take advantage that the chat's more or less on break to move through stuff. Yo, let's do RSR real quick. Oh man, where's RSR at, man? 5.2. It took a nasty dive. It was so good yesterday. What am I drinking tonight? Whiskey. I'm drinking scotch. A little high, and then here we're looking for some bearish divergence. We don't have it against the RSI. No, we still have it against the RSI. Sorry, we don't have it against the MACD. So with that, we're looking for action to the downside. We move down there, breaking below 2618, going down, finding support at the 1618 spot on, and rejecting lower areas of value. So that's fine. Again, I'm not super worried about this. It's just a quick market crash I believe we're having right now. I'm not gonna call it anything super bearish, man. Oh, dude, Double V, good night, and what a night. Yeah, oh, thank you, Double V, for being here, man. What a night, right? That's insane, dude. Sad fuel? No, dude, it's good fuel. I like whiskey. I would say whiskey is probably my go-to drink, and that's the one I enjoy the most. Oh man, that's and lower still, right? So again, we have some of this hidden bullish divergence, and probably part of the reason that we're seeing a stall happening right now. Let's see if we can manifest this hidden bullish divergence into an actual stall. We can still go down here and still have it. We can still come down here and still have it, right? Right now, I think we're finding it near a support, the 1618. Let's see if we can manage to have this sustain the price at least around, what is it? What would it be here? 4.6. And let's see where it goes there, right? Let's go to the 1 hour chart, man. Gordon Gecko says his go-to drink is rum and coke. It's awesome, bro. Oh, man. Oh, so insane, man. Snow in Texas? That's cool, man. To everyone that's here again, thank you very much for the awesome support you give this channel, for reals. It's so crazy, man. It's like for real, sometimes I go to bed and I can't sleep and I'm like, what the hell's happening? Like, is this real, man? Like, I don't, like, if this is a dream, I really don't want to wake up from this. Like, that's how I go to sleep now. Like, I hope I'm not dreaming. I hope I don't wake up tomorrow and the channel's like on day one and this is all massive dream of what it could be, right? So it's insane, man. Like, yeah, it's a weird feeling for sure some days. Low, lower, negative, more negative, and then low, lower. Still oversold at 24.17. Not seeing anything bullish here on RSR right now. On the 1 hour chart, let's go to let's go to DVT, man. It's very surreal, man. Oh man. Cool. All right, so 3.1. Awesome, dude. 3.155. Dude, DVT is doing awesome. Let's check it out here. Sitting at 6.7 sats. Kind of sucks that Bitcoin went down, right? The false flags, what is up? Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciate it. A lot of things are up, dude. We have a strong bullish divergence on the tips. Donations went insane. Insane bullish divergence happening there. Price action to the upside massively from where we're at. It was so crazy, man. Oh, dude. It was such an insane beginning of the stream, man. let's get some indicators out here for DVT, man. Higher. Here, let me make this a little bit more visible. I think we're going to be creating some strong bearish divergence here for potential action to downside, right? Low, high, high to low, high to low, right? Again, if you're still holding DVT from whenever we gave it away a while back, it's pretty cool, right? Now what we gave away on that stream is still worth $1,000. Those $500 turned into $1,500, so that's pretty legit. Oh man, Elf handled the super crash really good. That's awesome, bro. Anyway, strong bearish divergence, potential for action to downside. Let's see what's happening here, man. That's you bought more. Higher than what is this? It all reads as 0 here. Like that's why I hate this chart. It all reads as 0, but let's see, going slightly higher. So nothing bearish right now, nothing bullish either. So just overbought at 66.31 on the 4-hour. And on the daily, we talked about this, right? I talked about the hidden bullish divergence. I've been saying this project has a lot of bullish news coming out. So if you get on board on time, it's pretty cool, man. All right, again, good gains in the project. High low, positive, positive, high low. Nothing bearish, right? Just a hidden bullish. Still running with that on DVT. That's it. Let's go to XLM now. No, sorry, comp, and then XLM. Oh, dude. Looked like Seamus was about to fall off his stand there, man. You bought more? That's cool, man. Probably doing good there, man. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower. Let's go to the daily first. Do these are sorry, no, we gotta do comp. There we go. Comp, strong bearish divergence, action downside, moving down. Like I said, right, we're extremely bullish. We didn't know if we were gonna still continue going up still. And all I said is, if you're worried about it going down, set up a stop loss. If you set up a stop loss and it's triggered, congrats, you can buy at a lower price. If you haven't and you're still taking a hit, kind of sucks, right? Oh, what's up with that?
We called 49,300 as resistance last week. We failed to get over it twice in the last 24 hours, so I scalped short, which paid off significantly. Thanks, mate.
Yo, thank you very much for that, Mark. I really appreciate it. Legendary. There we go, dude. That's awesome. Thank you very much for that, man. Yeah. Bitcoin, it's moving good, man. Thanks for that, man. I really appreciate that. Action to downside, right? Not letting me move. Oh, there we go. I know it's not letting me move stuff. It was drawing stuff. Here we go. Let's get rid of this. And I said, there we go. Anchor there again. Action to downside near 1255.66. Again, dude, I've been saying, right? It could go down. It could go down. Market's really good. There's a possibility it might go down a little bit. And if you wanted to, or you were worried about it and you wanted to preserve some profits, you could have set up stop loss and still buy back in a lower price, right? So again, on the 4-hour, strong bearish divergence, right? Action to downside, moving down still. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower still. Sold at 33.53. Let's get to the 1-hour chart. Mark, I'm so happy that you're doing good, man, with your trades. Again, here we had the hidden bullish, right? We pumped a little bit, failed to get higher than the previous high. Look at that, we dropped. And we dropped to here. That tracks onto there, and we still have hidden bullish divergence. We tried to rally on that, fell to the 20, and moved back down again, right? Low and much lower. And here, like, we could take it by parts, right? Like from here to here or whatever. I'm just going to anchor straight up there. And say, look, strong bearish divergence, action to the upside. Let's see if we can manage to get this happening here on comp. Strong bullish divergence, sorry. Strong bullish divergence. That's what we have. I said bearish out of my mouth, but my hands went for the bullishness. That's precisely what I meant to say. But just my my brain and my mouth were out of sync there. Oh, man. Anyways, we're still sold at 28.50, so good stuff there, man, on comp. Let's move on to XLM. Right, Maddie, I know you like XLM. We're actually going to do it right now. We'll see if it has something going on. Again, dropping a lot, right? Doesn't have anything... does he have something bearish here? Doesn't have anything against the RSI. I don't think we had it against the MACD. I might have missed this when we were looking at it. But I'm not sure. We'll check out again in a second, but here we are. For some reason, I don't have this one. But again, strong bearish divergence, action downside, moving down slightly. I know why we don't have it here, because this is not the chart we'll look at. This is the chart we'll look at. And in this chart, we didn't. We did have it, and we lost it here against the RSI when we were looking at this yesterday, I think, or yeah, 2 days ago or whatever. So I would have tracked down to there. And I know because we have the line here, and here I traced it from way back here, and I was saying, look, bearish divergence. Now I know why. I remember why we have this chart, and it has no lines in it. Because this chart is just where I have to go. I'll go to fib, right? Because this chart is one that has all the data till all-time high, and the other charts are one we've just been using lately. So again, we're rejecting that 618, move down below that 50, and that's fine. We can still get to that 20 at 3.82. Sorry, at 38.2, or the 382 at 36.55. So let's go over here, man. Let's get this episode to 100 likes. Sure, man. Let's get the episode to 100 likes. If you're still here and you haven't done it yet, hit the like button on the sub. Join us on the Discord. Links in the description. We're building an awesome community, and you guys are really part of that. For reals, you guys are part of that awesome community. You are amazing, and thank you for being here. Again, thank you for joining me, and let's keep rolling, man. Seamus also falling there, man. Oh, man. Again. There's some bearish divergence here again, right? We talked about that. Moving down, great. We're neutral at 59.94. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Higher, higher. We didn't have anything bearish here on the 4-hour. Moving down, that's fine. Low, high, negative, more negative, right? We're starting to create this hidden bullish divergence. Potential for stagnation to happen on the price, right? Sorry, this is the 4-hour, not the daily. There we go. Negative, more negative, and low and lower still. Sold at 39.73. Let's go to the 1-hour chart, man. The Joel Bayer says we're falling deep into the crypto abyss. No, bro, not yet. Seamus needs a drink. He has his always refilling drink here, man. Right, you cannot see it, but he has his tiny beer here that never spills and always refills. So it's a happy drinking. He's a happy drinker, man. He's actually a cool guy when he drinks. Hey, look at his eyes, man. They're like all freaking gone, man. He was really pissed. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower still. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower still. Oversold at 28.14. Nothing here to look at an excellent. Really, nothing bullish. I was really hoping to find something that would say, yo, price action to the upside. But it's not here right now. The hidden bullish that we have failed to perform. And we'll still have hidden bullish going all the way down here. To here, it played right again beautifully. Action to the upside. We had it against the MACD, and then to here, right? There we go. And just failing to play, right? And yep, it would be going from here to here. Again, action to downside still on the divergence that we had, and the rest of the market moving down bearish, right? So that's it. The graph. Let's go to GRT, man. See, when Seamus came for advice regarding trading, I concentrated my inner Miyagi and I said, Seamus, trading here, not here, right? So yeah, you guys know what I'm talking about. Don't trade with your gut. Don't trade with your heart or your sentiments. Trade with your brain, right? Trade with your brain, for real. So a lot of people like put their hearts into a project believing it's gonna pump, and that's fine. But trade smart. Leave emotions out of it. Leave the heart out of it. And you're gonna be doing a lot better in trading, right? Let's go to GRT, man. Oh, dude, it's such a crazy stream so far, man. Steve says my brain has too much wine in it. I know. Then you shouldn't trade. Like you shouldn't, like, you know how you're not supposed to drink and drive? You shouldn't trade and drink, right? It's not how it's supposed to be done, man. Van TA, we don't have it yet, man. We'll put it on the list. pour myself a little more whiskey, but dude, such a good stream. That's it. That's gonna be good for the rest. Use the programs, man. Yeah, set up stop losses. If you believe your heart's gonna betray you on the trade, set up stop losses, right? Or set up take profit levels. I mean, all deeps are being bought up bullishly on Bitcoin, so I'm not worried about it yet. GRT, awesome. Let's go check it out, man. Which I think is the GRT we'll look at. Great, man. Again, going higher. We didn't have anything bearish. Sitting bought at 69.98. Let's get to the 4-hour chart and let's keep rolling, man. Oh man, what's that? I'm enjoying myself. The community's laid back. Yeah, I know the community's really cool, man. What whiskey? What's my favorite whiskey? Oh, bro, I drink a lot of whiskeys. I have a lot of them that I like. I think it really depends on the night, man. One? Sure, we'll do one. It really depends on the night, man. I drink, right now I'm drinking Glenlivet. Yeah, Glenlivet. Sometimes I drink Jameson, sometimes I drink Glenfiddich, Dalmore, Oban, Lagavulin. It just really depends, man, right? It depends on the mood and what I feel like drinking, but yeah. Bro, all right, let me update the list and keep rolling through this, right? NAR and NMR, sorry. NMR, band, and one. Yeah, cheers, bro. Cheers. Happy Valentine's Day to everyone. Hope you're having a great time. All right, so 4-hour GRT, right? Hello. Hi. Someone asked me today whether or not I was going to get into GRT or another project. And I said the risk too high, remember? I can't remember, someone came in here asking that. And I said, I don't think the risk's good right now. There's more chance of it to go down that it goes higher, right? And even if it was a couple days ago, we're here. Now look at where we're at right now. So I'm still okay with not getting into some of the projects at all-time highs, man. ADA? Sure, man. It's not in the list. Yeah, it's already in the list. It's going to be 1, 2, 3 more coins. Anyways, yeah. Again, neutral at 45.97. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. High to low, possible positive, high to low, right? Low, high, two. We created some bearish divergence back here. Why do I not have this on the GRT chart? Probably because I wasn't saving my data here. Can't remember, but this seems like something we should have had. Or maybe we didn't look at this when this developed this. So it's the only two ways it could happen, right? Because it's strong bearish divergence, actually downside. Can go slightly higher, breaking down again on that divergence, right? But here to here. Here we go. Then from here to here, and from here to here as well, right? So with that, we have that action to downside, strong bearish divergence. Moving down on that. Now, as we're moving lower, right? Every time we're moving lower, we're creating strong bullish divergence. First, we would have had it here, within the same island, right? And what I mean by that is from here to here, right? Within the same island, but we can still come all the way down here to the new island that we're making and anchor all the way down to here and say, look, we still have that strong bullish divergence direction to the upside. And now we're also making it on this last bit here, right, from here to here against the RSI. So we have strong bullish divergence and possibility for action to the upside, and we're getting it near support. We're getting it near that that 382, right, on the fibs. So it's a good area. Remember, I think we looked at this yesterday because I think we charted this and I said, look, or probably we're here, and I remember now. We're back here. We're starting to retrace on GRT, and we said, look, it's bouncing at the 236. It hit a retrace, still dropped lower. Most retraces happen to the 382 or that 618. Remember, that's the areas that we said we're already hitting the 382 and bouncing from there. Let's see if we can meet it again. And then if we drop again, a lot more of the retraces happen at the 50% line. Mike Garcia says whiskey gotta be an Islay. Smoking warm. Where can be nice, like Evelyn. Yes. Oh yeah, I like a smoky winter whiskey. Yeah, I like whiskey. I enjoy whiskey. Ah, there we are, man. Yeah, Mike, which one? Which one you want to update for? GRT again. Finding that support and holding on, right? Let's see if it can hold on to that support at the 382. Bounce up. Again, it's going to have resistance at the 20 moving average at 2.09. And above that at the 236 at 2.15. So that's it for GRT, man. Let's go to EOS. Oh, man. Such a... Monday's buy the dip day. Yeah. Anyways, that's it for this. Do I have EOS up? Nope. Let's check EOS, man. Low, high, high, higher, high. Again, the only thing I'm gonna be able to look at here on this is a 1 hour though. Let's start on the daily first. Move down, right? So we're retracing. We're hitting that 1618 again. Didn't have anything bearish, and like I've been saying, right? If you're worried about it moving down, set up stop loss. Neutral at bought at 61.89. Let's go. Not doing anything bullish. Let's go to the 4 hour. The 4 hour, we're looking for this bearish divergence. We had some kind of bullish divergence here that I was tracing. I'm not sure what time scale this is from, but it makes no. This was a support line. I just didn't change the color of it. See, that's why I like to color code my lines, because it's tricky. I was like, it's sitting in the middle of nowhere. Anyways, bearish divergence. Right, we had bearish divergence. We held support, pumped, and on that move, we still created more bearish divergence. Look at that. We went higher, right, and we're still coming lower here, right, and still coming lower here. So we have that strong bearish divergence. Action to downside, breaking that resistance, that support line, and now we're in the bearish zone, right? Let's say bearish zone, holding support at the 1618 at $4.49. Not doing too bad, right? Can we look at XLM? Yeah, we're looking at XLM. I'll do it in a recap, man. So yeah, neutral at 44.19. That's it. Again, we have some hidden divergence right now, and that is fine. Not super worried about it yet. It's having this hidden bullish divergence at a support, right? So chances that it stakes are a little bit stronger than if we just had it in the middle of nowhere, right? So that's from here to here, and that from here to here. That retest will try to get us to that 20, but if we fail to get to a 20, we still have a retest here at that old support line that's now going to be crown resistance, right? From here to here as well. Let's move on to the 1 hour chart. Low, high, low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower. I'm not finding from way back here some hidden bullish. From way back here, right? Dude. Negative, more negative. All right, so yeah, it's the only thing we have here. I mean, this divergence can track onto there, and then it will be like a new line going from here to here, right? Again, strong bearish divergence, it just keeps on tracking, but I mean, we had other divergences that came into play that I would like to rely on more, like the one in the 4 hour chart. That's it for EOS. Again, hidden bullish. Let's see if we can hold on to support at that 618. And again, target to the upside will be the 20 moving average here, and that right now is sitting at 5.05. That's it for EOS. Let's go to XRP. I'll recap after ADA, right? So just to let you guys know. Low, lower, low, lower, low, lower, low, lower, negative. All right, so I'm looking at the 1 hour. Let's go first on the daily and see what we have here. Again, we were looking at bearish divergence. We said we're like markets from the bullish. XRP, I'm not so confident right now. Not because I don't like the project. It's just it has the SEC thing going on still. 76.66, 76.01. So again, it's still coming from high to low. So we could still say that we have this bearish divergence here. We don't have it against the MACD, and we hit that at a resistance, right? Look at that. We got to our resistance, right? That 0.63, 63.36 cent mark with resistance, and we started to move down. Right now, sitting below that 54.81, and we're neutral. So we bought at 61.15. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. About 30 link at 30.5. Oh man, interesting. Yeah, it did go down quite a bit, right? We haven't looked at XRP in a couple days. Last thing we had here was some hidden bullish. Now here we created some strong bearish, right? Again, near resistance. And we know we have good areas, right? Because XRP, look at that, spot on, dude. Spot on hit at that resistance, right? 63.36, moving down. Had a low and had a low here as well. And low to high, right, some hidden bullish. Low to high, and negative, more negative still, right? Then here we're going negative, slightly more negative also. Oh, dude. Hidden bullish divergence against the MACD and the RSI on the 4 hour. With that, we could be getting stagnation, potential action to the upside. If we move up, we're going to have resistance immediately at 54.81, and above there at 58.72. And then the 20 moving average at 59.14. If we still decide to drop, we're going to try to find comfy support here at 47.56, 47.54. Let's see if we get that. The 1 hour XRP, right? The 1 hour XRP brought to you by high to low. Right, so strong bearish divergence, moving down on that. Low, high, negative, more negative, some hidden bullish. And then what happened on the hidden bullish is that we failed to get higher than the previous high, right? Thus, we're getting continuation of the bearishness. We have that hidden bullish against the MACD and the RSI. Dropping more. Are we doing divergence here still? Yeah, I'm gonna ignore an island here because it's tiny. It's a very small island. And again, lower, right? And we have that hidden bullish, like the other projects are doing. Again, we got a balance already, right? We got a balance, and we hit that 54.81, and we're rejecting it again right now. So again, might still be bearish for XRP, but we'll see if this hidden bullish can try to get it to go up again. Same targets that we called the 4 hour. Let's go to ADA. Another streamer say never trade on weekends. Yeah, I mean, crypto's 24/7, right? So you can trade crypto anytime because, you know, there's always markets that are coming online. So around 6 to 7 p.m. you get China or Asia coming online. Then around that 1 to 2 or 3 in the morning you get Europe waking up. And then at 7, 8 in the morning you get US, etc. coming online. So there's always movements, right? There's always movements, man. I would tell you that's probably when most market moves happen, but you know, sometimes crypto just pumps in the middle of the day for no reason. It's crazy. We're in a channel, right? Downsloping channel, and we broke it. So it's not the coolest looking thing. How much? 31, 39, and 31.22. Lower still. So the bullish divergence that we had created moved up, hit that resistance, that 786, and 91.11, 91.13. And then we just broke down since. We don't have anything bullish right now. Low, lower. We might have created some bullish here, but it's not strong enough to keep us afloat, right? So, all right, I'll tell you what happened here. Look, low, lower, or negative, less negative, right? And then low, lower on the price. So right here, strong bullish pumping, and then that pump, we created some hidden bearish. So we're already coming in a downtrend. We're creating hidden bearish again. Downtrend, you can say it's bearish, right? Because we're coming we're moving downwards, right? Down sloping movement. Again, down sloping consolidation usually tends to break to the upside. But looking at this downwards movement, hey, Scott Johnson, thank you for being here. We don't have it against the RSI. So again, we're in a downtrend, right? In a downward sloping channel, and that creating some kind of bearishness within that. I mean, even though it's a micro bubble, let's say within a larger uptrend, it's a micro trend that is negative and downsloping and bearish because it's downsloping, and it inherently tends to break to the upside. Right now, it's breaking the downside because we created some kind of bearish pattern within, right? A bearish indicator, which would be the hidden bearish, right? So we're not strong enough. We already seen it once. With this pump, we didn't even quite get to the top of the channel. We got close to it, but we failed to stay above that 786. So we know that the downtrend's still in effect. We try to pump again with some more strong bullish divergence, and we're failing, and now we're creating this hidden bearish, and it's cracking us down again, right? So we know that this pressure, it's a little bit more bearish than it was before. Hold ADA or sell. Ricardo, I cannot tell you what to do with your money, unfortunately, but thank you for being here, man.
What's up?
That's it for ADA, man. That's it for ADA. Let's recap. Bitcoin, XLM, and Ethereum, right? Bitcoin 46,600. Oh no, we're breaking support. The hidden bullish divergence is failing. I mean, it did pump us up for a candle, right? The last candle, but right now we're failing again. Oh no, man. I think we're actually losing it, so I'm gonna remove it. Yeah, we no longer have it. And don't panic. Don't panic. Remember, we talked about this pattern. We're like, I did say yesterday, guys, I'm gonna go into the Discord channel and hang out a little bit. Some of you guys were really cool and came out and hang out with me, and that was awesome. But while you guys, were talking and messing around, etc., which was really cool for the chat, and we're getting to know each other. I was still looking at the charts, and I started to present my screen to whoever was there. It was just like a small gathering of people, and I just drew this pattern and said, "Look, guys, there's possibility that we fail and go down, right?" After we got this rejection, right, at midnight, because we were chilling until like almost 1 in the morning. That's when I said, look, guys, I gotta go to sleep. But I woke up and I saw crypto here, right, at 6 in the morning. My daughter woke me up. I looked at myself, like, oh man, we're gonna break to the upside. And all of a sudden, I just go to sleep again. And I wake up, it's like down here. Like, oh, dude, yeah, pattern's holding. Oh no, pattern's holding. We're gonna go bearish. And we just broke down here below the 20. And now we're moving down. So again, target right now, potentially around 43,300 if we hit the measure move of the rising wedge that we're in. Then we'll figure out what we're trying to do there. But for now, that's what we have, right? So if you were on the chat when we were screwing around last night, you kind of got this information in advance. Today, we came on live. We had just moved down, broken down, and we still know that we could be trying to make a measure move again, right? Possibilities are there. Usually when you break pattern, you go for a measure move of it. But we'll see, right? Again, I was here trying to see if we're going to go to like 50K and that was going to come back online. And all of a sudden, it just pulled back down. I was like, oh, that's not going to happen. We did get close though, right? We did get to a high of 49,700. So it's very, very close to 50K. Unfortunately, we're doing it with a bearish pattern. So we're getting that action to downside. And divergence also, right? Of sorts. That's it. Let's go to the Ethereum now, and then what is the next support level if it breaks? Oh yeah, sure, man. We have support levels. Look here. I also happen to have a support at 43,900, and here I have that target at 43K 300. So we could get to that area and try to hold support. Right now, breaking down below that 46, target at 45,467. If we fail there, we could be trying to hit a target at 43, which we already know we held here. And here we're at support, resistance and then support. So that could be a target there. And then if we fail there, dude, next target's at 40K. We don't have anything. Look at this. This is an insane drop. We might have some small Support here at 42,700. I don't want to draw it because we don't have a lot of data here. It's a straight shot, just 2 lines here. So right now, this is what I'm looking for, right? More or less. Anyways. Let's go to Ethereum now. 1,703. Oh no, it's dropping, man. It was so good a couple days ago at 1,800. Now it's 1,700. It dropped about a good chunk of its price. What percentage has it moved down? Let's go to the high, to the low right now. About 9%. Again, it's not crazy, right? So, I mean, we're not really going bananas on this. Personal opinion is Ethereum still worth investing in? I cannot give you that information, bro. I could say this, though. I do believe Ethereum has potential. If you ask me what I see going double quicker, right? I would believe that although people can buy fractions of Bitcoin, just the sheer price of it, and for you to see you doubling your money would take an insane amount of strength. Bitcoin has to go from 46K to 92K for you, or sorry, to 92K for you to be able to double your money. Well, if you're into Ethereum at 1,600, you'll need to go to like 3,200 to double your money. So I think Ethereum has a easier chance to get higher quicker than Bitcoin. I mean, Bitcoin's insane. It's still going to get there, right? It's the OG crypto. But smaller projects in the bull runs tend to perform a little bit better because there's a lot less friction to the upside. They're so accessible and so cheap to get into, and you can get a good position that every small movement to the upside gives you better gains, right? So let's say if you get into a project that's 3 cents, it goes to 30 cents. It's not a lot of money. A lot of people are still going to try to get into it because they want to hold corner that project. And because they believe that if it goes to $1, it'll give them that much more return, right? So it's easier to see one of those projects where you can buy like, oh, dude, I'm going to buy a small position. I'm going to get 1 million of this. And if it gets to $1, I'll be a millionaire. A lot of people go in with that mentality, looking at the small projects. So if a lot of people are pushing the small projects, they have an easier chance of going up. While Ethereum is already like at 1,000, right? It's like, dude, for you to be able to double your money or 10 times your money, like think about how much Ethereum you would have to buy right now for you to be able to earn $1 million on Ethereum, right? So it's again, it's a little bit there, right? Let's that's it for Ethereum again. Not a lot happening. Moving down, heading to 1,674, lower, negative, more negative, lower still here. Again, we failed to get above this resistance. Remember, we talked about the resistance when we were here. And we extended it and we were like, look, we're resisting a lot. And then we just dropped down. We were not strong enough to get there. Pulling back a little bit, that's fine. That's it for Ethereum, Bitcoin recap. Let's go to XLM. Okay, so XLM first. Right, so XLM still dropping. We already established. We had this hidden bullish pop, hit the 20, rejecting, moving lower. Now we are making more negative momentum and going lower still, so we don't have anything bullish right now. What is this low, man? I'm actually gonna have to read this. 2904 and 2901, slightly lower. So again, nothing bullish right now. Waiting for something bullish to develop here, where we actually get a run. I'm trying to look for other patterns that might be forming, but I'm not seeing any. Like, 3 falling peaks, or 3 black crows, or things that could give us an idea as to what pattern we're going to be making, some sort of reversal. Nothing bullish right now, but I'm looking for bullish or bearish patterns, but I'm not seeing any of those in here still. So let's go to with that. Let's go to KSM. So was a W? Maybe we would have to check for a W shape, something. W pattern is called double bottom. Brian, but thank you for being here, man. Again, guys, if you like what we do, hit the like, the bell, and sub. Join us on Discord. Links in the description. I didn't see the W though, right? We can come back to it a little bit and then check it out, but we'll see. Kusama is the only KSM we have. Yep. All right, let's go on the daily, man. And he had some bearish divergence here, moved down, going extremely high, hitting that 3618. Again, not a lot of bearishness, I think. At least I don't think we called anything here. No, still going higher. So again, we haven't looked at this project in a couple days, so that's fine. Going down with the rest of crypto, breaking below that 3618, that's awesome. It's awesome because it gives me an area to anchor, right? Now I can go from low to the opposite now to get areas of or fibs, right? So from low to high, right? We're still not making a valid retrace, so let's get rid of this. Still not working, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do those fibs again. I just want to see where the target could be for a valid retrace to happen. So we're looking at $129.89 for us to start making a valid retrace and hit that 236. I'm not sure if this is a local high. For a local high to be confirmed, we need to hit that area, right? That 236 fib extension, fib node. So we'll see if we hit it. It's not a fib extension, it's fib. There we go. Let's go to the 1 hour, 4 hour chart. Here we had some strong bearish divergence, right? Look, here we had strong bearish divergence, move down, hidden bullish, rallying on that, right? So strong bullish, sorry, rallying on that. So good stuff, man. Good stuff. Again, low, high, negative, more negative, and that's it. I mean, I'm gonna go over this island. I know it might not play out as strong, but you know what? I'm not gonna do that. Let's just go here. Let's respect this island for what it is, and then I'm gonna go from here to here and still have that hidden bullish. That's what I was gonna look for here, anyways. Like negative, more negative. Let's have hidden bullish, and then I am respecting this island as a separation. So that we have that hidden bullish divergence for potential stagnation, maybe action to the upside. Let's see if we're gonna get it, man. Brent. I know it's a bloodbath, dude. You missed an insane stream, dude. When the stream's done, go and watch the first 40 minutes. It's a repetition. It's like a deja vu of a couple days ago, man. I couldn't talk the first 40 minutes. People got into a tip war. It's insane, dude. It went insanely high, insanely fast, man. Like, things escalated really quick. So it's really cool, man. I feel blessed. Something got into my eye now. It's like itchy and watery. But I feel blessed to be able to do this and to have awesome support from you guys, the community. I'm not crying. Something got into my eye and like started to burn. There we go. I think it got it. At least not burning anymore. I think I might have had something in my pants. Bitcoin crypto lost 3 Bitcoin. Ooh, insane. How much was donated? I'm not sure, dude. I didn't keep track of that. I'm probably gonna get a report towards the end of the stream with all the donations coming through, man. Crying. It's not crying, dude. I am blessed. I know, dude. I am blessed to be able to do this and have such an awesome community here. Oh, man. Quiller's radiation. What's that, man? I'm not sure what kind of radiation that is. Not crying, but I'm crying. I'm not crying. No, it's like one of my eyes got watery, man. Like something got into it, like when I was scratching it, and started burning a little bit, but it's good now. Anyways, that's it for this on the 4 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. But yeah, I feel really lucky to be able to do this, guys. For reals. So cool. Lower. And particularly with you guys putting up with all the stuff that happens here on the stream, right? Like me, like laughing insanely for like a long time, not even able to do the TA, and you know, just chilling through that, and my weird rants sometimes. But it's cool, man. Ah, dude. Wireless radiation. I'm not using anything wireless, man. Everything's hardwired. Let's keep rolling again. Oh, lower, negative, more negative. So I was looking for bullishness, I'm finding it. That's it for KSM, right? Some hidden bullish, possibly for stagnation or action to the upside. Still waiting, right? Still waiting for this to determine what it wants to do. And we're seeing that like if it wants to push lower, but again, as if it wants to be supported by the hidden bullish. We'll see. Again, hidden bullish, sorry, strong bullish right now, not hidden. Strong bullish divergence. Forget what I said about hidden. It's strong bullish divergence. Potential action to the upside. Let's see if we can manage to manifest this into a pump, dude. This is good divergence. This is the divergence that we want to make. Lower, negative, less negative, strong bullish, right? Hidden bullish is when we diverge on the bottom, remember? Let's go to Arch, dude. Link, sure, man. We'll put link here on the list. Dude, Gavin, like Alex, dude, Mark Hill, Gustavo, Craig, Jake, Antonio, you know, everyone, dude. It's just like Mamba, Beach Jedi, Trampus Hawk. It just became like a donation war, man. It's insane. So I think it was Mark that actually wrote, I can go with a few, but I can only go like pew 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 from back here on the lines. I laughed so hard tonight. Dude, that was funny. I'm crying. All right. Link, sure, link's there, man. I'll put it on the list. Your AMP's the only thing holding strong. That's awesome, dude. What, dude?
Link PLS. Happy dip, everyone. Smiley face.
Dude.
Smiley face. LLLLLLLLLLL.
What the hell, dude?
Sit with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you very much.
What up, dude? Dude. Thank you so much for that, man. The owls make me laugh. I'm not sure that sounds so weird, man. All right, let's go to, I guess, Lincoln now because we came with that donation. Oh, damn, dude. That's cool, man. Thanks, man. So insane, man. Oh, damn. All right, so sold at 34. Let's go to Link now. I'm Hal. Martin's not crying, but I am. I know, dude. It's like the other day, someone, like, I think I was laughing so hard, like 2 or 3 days ago, that I was really just like, some tears came out of my eyes because I was laughing so hard, dude. It was so insane. All right, so let's get this link done. Again, we had bearish divergence. Look at that. We're still looking at it yesterday, right? And I said, look, we can still go higher. We did go higher a little bit. Remember what I said, if you're worried about your position, set up a stop loss. We have bearish divergence, so we're expecting a movement down. That was, you know, to be expected, say. That divergence we had here against the MACD, but not against the RSI, right? The line's missing because I forgot to save the charts last night. I've been getting these warnings that I need to, every day I need to delete stuff from charts so I'm able to save because I have so much data. And we're bought at 63.35. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Again, we had the bullish divergence. We pumped. We hadn't created anything bearish yesterday. We still haven't created anything bearish till today. High, higher, and then positive, more positive. So we're breaking down with the rest of the market, right? Breaking below that 20. We're going to see if we're going to try to regain it. But right now we have some hidden bullish divergence, and that is good, right? That could give us at least some intention for action to the upside. And we'll see if we're going to get some continuation. We should be trying to get above that 20. That'll be the primary target right now for the link. Oh. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Mike, thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated.
What's up?
And sorry, I wasn't the one on the Blails, that one.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. Oh, so insane, man. Resistance, higher powerlifting. That's what prevented us, man. So here we're looking for some bearish divergence, right? We would have tracked onto there. I know because we have that line there and it's just floating there in the middle of nowhere. That would have been this move here and this move here as well, right? So from here to here. And that we would have looked for action to downside, right? That happened at 1 in the morning, so we were not live at the time. And the other divergence that we have here that is not matching against anything, it would have been this one. So strong bearish, move down slightly, try to pop, create more strong bearish, and then move farther down, right? We try to gain a little bit here on the hidden bullish, failing, and then dropping more. And now we're still creating hidden bullish from low to high. Did I anchor this to the 1 hour? No, I forgot to anchor. Dang it. Now I need to clean up the charts real quick. Sorry about that. Quick cleanup on aisle link. Oh, the music stopped. I gotta replay something here. Oh, let's play this one. Oh, anyways, from here to here. At first, we were looking at some divergence from here to here. When we got the first small pump right from here to here. We did try to rally, like I said, right? And then we failed. And, you know, we have that hidden bullish. So we're trying again for a rally, right? At $30.83. What's so crazy? Did I actually hold a little bit of link? That's so insane to see it actually got to $34. That's so cool. Dude, where are we at with the fibs here, man? Because I don't have any more fibs up there, man. Yeah, the next fib would be up here at $38. So we just didn't reach it. That's fine. Again, support to the downside if we keep on moving down. We'll be at the 1618 around 26.48. And if we try to rally right now, resistance immediately at the 20 moving average at 33.03. That's it for link, man. Thank you very much for the donation, Guy Freak. I really appreciate that.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Ah, dude. Jack Proc, Martin, do you think the market's rigged? No. I don't think it's rigged. Andrew says, hey, do you hear about the FUD that was done by the regulators about banning large firms from buying Bitcoin today? Interesting. I'm not sure, man. Regulators where? The US or elsewhere? Because, I mean, you know, the US, although a lot of companies are there, if in the rest of the world, I mean, if the US wants to fall behind by being anti-crypto and stopping companies from being able to acquire crypto reserves, that is fine, but some other countries are still going to be friendly. And there's countries elsewhere, right, that are not in the US that could still buy crypto. For example, Switzerland, right? A lot of companies actually make Switzerland their headquarters because it's they get tax benefits from being there. So they could still buy probably on their Switzerland offices, but just not their US branches, right? Or the let's say the mother company or the holding company could buy it, but it's just not the minor company within it. Or within the umbrella, let's say, right? So it really is going to depend how that's going to play out, right? I don't think it's FUD. It's going to be fine. Companies are going to find ways to do it, right? Those companies are going to find a way to get around that if that's what they wanted to do, right? Yeah, send me on the Discord, man. The easiest way to get a hold of me is on the Discord. Usually on Monday through Friday when I'm working, I'm not glued to that, but yeah, I'm usually on Discord. That's it for Link, man. Let's move on to Arch now. I think I'm actually gonna close it after 1, right? So no more coins. It's probably gonna be a short stream, not short enough, but probably gonna get to midnight or so. That's why I'm gonna close it after 1. I do have a Mrs. Instead of Crypto that we're still gonna have wine and you know, cheese. So I do have to like finish this at an appropriate time. So let's see. So So I think that still gives a couple coins to be entertained for the short term, right? At least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more coins. Be able to recap and for me to still have a good night, with the wife and enjoy some wine. So that's gonna be cool. Let's go to Arch. Arch 2W Ethereum. There we go. Let's get on the daily. Again, I'm not sure what this nonsense here is. Insane pump, insane drop, right? Low, high, negative, low, high. I'm not seeing anything here on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we're looking for some bullish divergence back here, remember? Guess what happened? We dropped more still. We still dropped more, and we still have that bullish divergence, so we took that pop, finally. Then dropped, and did we drop lower? Yeah, we dropped lower, and look at this, right? Low, lower, low. So we just haven't looked at this in a couple days, so that's why it's not updated. Again, guys, if you don't come in here frequently and ask for the coins or queue them up on the pre-stream requests on the Discord, I don't follow them on a day-to-day basis, right? So I'm not looking at this, but we created more strong bullish divergence than with that action to the upside. We would have pumped, right? We would have come here and asked. We would have looked at this. Was this around the time we were live? No. We probably would have seen this around this time yesterday or 2 days ago. We would have set up for a rally and high, higher, possible, and high, higher still. So from here to here, everything's good. From here right to here, everything's good. So bought at 61.81. Not seeing anything bearish right now on the 4 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. We're at 150 likes. That's awesome, dude. Thank you everyone for being here. If you like what we do, hit the like, the bell, and sub. Join us on the Discord. Links in the description. Oh, such an insane stream tonight, man. It's so cool. Yeah, I'm gonna have nightmares tonight, probably. Like waking up, finding out the stream was like it didn't happen. I'm like, oh, they hit this the 14 again. Groundhog's Day. I'm gonna be stuck in it. Oh, dude. By the way, when I said Groundhog's Day, I meant the movie, right? Not that it's actually Groundhog's Day or anything like that. Low, high, two. High, slightly higher, and high, slightly higher. Isn't it like a holiday tomorrow? I think in the US. I think it's a holiday somewhere, right? If it's a holiday, we usually get drops on holidays. For some reason, like China decides to unload coins during holidays. Like people are not looking at the market, I guess. So I'm not sure if it's a holiday tomorrow. Someone told me it was a holiday tomorrow. Oh yeah, it's President's Day, right? Yeah, that's probably why, dude, right? Every time it's a holiday, we see movements down, right? It's Family Day in Canada. Well, that's awesome. In Mexico, it's just going to be a regular work day, so it's cool for you guys. I get the day off. I'm still going to be here working. And I'll be here again tonight. Sorry, not tonight, tomorrow night for another edition of Sir Crypto also, right? So it's getting pretty cool. On the 1 hour, I don't think I'm seeing anything here, man. High, higher, positive, more positive, high, higher still, so nothing there. High, two. Let's go back here. Low, higher, low, negative morning. All right, so I'm hitting bullish. We can go with that. Oh man, President's Day, dude. That's gonna be insane. Probably why we're seeing this drop, right? Like China saying, dude, America's not gonna be watching the markets. It's President's Day. Let's all dump, dude. It always happens, dude. Thanksgiving, Christmas. Like Christmas, I don't think this year Christmas dropped, but 2 years ago, Christmas dropped so bad. Did I see any bullish signal here on this chart? Yeah, on our chart, I'm seeing this hidden bullish. It popped, but we're losing it right now. We don't have anything else happening here. So just still neutral at 56.9. It looks like it wants to regain some action to the upside, but it doesn't have anything here on the 1 hour. That's it, dude. Let's sorry, I'll do one more coin, by the way, because I noticed that I had linked twice on the list. So if I'll come up with a coin, I'll put it the day after one, right? So one more coin up for grabs. Whoever requests it first will get his coin or her coin. Done. Adam? Yeah, but you got to do that to stay crypto, man. Yeah, I'll recap Bitcoin a little bit, right? Don't worry about that. I'll recap before I go. Oh, dude, it's so crazy, man. I know. I'm not saying that, you know, it's going to drop because it's President's Day. I was just saying that usually during holidays, markets tend to drop for some reason. All right. Someone said out to say crypto CNGLS BTC CNGLS BTC. All right. SNGLS BTC. I'm not sure what SLNGLS is, but we'll check that one out. CTSI. Sure, man. We can check it out. I mean, since it's not an exchange, I'm gonna be able to do analysis, I guess. So we'll see. And even though I said one more coin, and someone already asked for SN and GLS, I'll check that one because you saw some donations tonight, man. Thank you for that. SN GLS. All right, so we'll do SN GLS, and then CTSI. That's it. CTSI will close the list. All right, let's go get lit. BNB, sure. That's a recap, so I can check it out, right? I'll just write it here for a recap. All right. So, what's happening with Lit? Nothing on the daily, right? We don't have a lot of data, so that's fine. We created some bearish divergence here short term, here to here, and slightly higher. God. All right. So again, strong bearish divergence moving down. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Kiffer, thank you for being here, man. Appreciate it. He said, bro, it's Johnny. Peace out. All right, cool, man. Thank you for being here, man. I appreciate it. Let me keep rolling here. On the 1 hour chart, a higher high. And then we're definitely going to be coming from high to low, right? If you follow this stream every night, you already know what I'm calling sometimes. So if you're starting to like pick up on these patterns or like, you know, the movements, right? It's good. That's what it's all about, right? Like you guys learning how to look at the charts and figure out what's going to happen. Bearish divergence, strong action, downside, low, high, negative, less, negative, low. I'm just going to say sideways right now. It could be some hidden bullish. I'm actually going to make it a little bit larger here on the RSI so I can see it. Yeah, it's going slightly lower. Low, slightly lower, right? And from here. And with that, we have that hidden bullish. We're taking that pop, getting above the 20, but, you know, we still have to get higher than the previous high for us to get any continuation of the bullishness. If we fail to get higher than the previous high, we could be looking for another drop, right? Just keep that, man. Something happened here on the chat. There's bullish divergence on the likes. Yeah, man. There's bullish divergence on the like. There's super strong bullish divergence on the donations. And on the views, man, we have 203 people watching. That's awesome, dude. Daniel, saludos, Costa Rica, man. Thank you for being here. All right, that's for Lit. Let's go to NMR. NMR sounds like something someone gives someone else. Like, I'll give you an NMR. It'll be like one of those Jeff Foxworthy jokes, right? Like, if you think NMR is something else, you might be a redneck, right? The guy is funny, man. Haven't seen any Jeff Foxworthy in a long time, man. Oh, honey, neutral. Sorry, bought at 61.55. Nothing here, man. By the way, in case you guys didn't think it was a joke. I'm actually Mexican, dude. Thank you, Daniel. I have good español because I'm Mexican. Anima? Yeah. I know, dude. It actually sounds like enema when you said NMR. NMR, right? Let's see, who's getting an NMR tonight? This is like one of those coins that I can make jokes out of, and that would be funny, man. Slash technical analysis slash crypto comedian, right? Ah, it's so cool, man. Hello, again, some bearish divergence here, right? Potential fraction of downside. That's cool, man. Yeah, for real, Daniel. Thanks for being here, man. Appreciate it. Again, strong bearish divergence, move down. Pumping a little bit. We created some hidden bullish, by the way. Before that pump, sorry, guys. It's going to be good that I think I'm going to end the stream a little bit there. A couple coins earlier, because it's going to give my voice a little bit more chance to rest. Again, pumping up higher. Create more bearish divergence, moving down. Now we're still creating some hidden bullish against some MACD, right? So now we're going lower here. Yeah, slightly lower also. So some hidden bullish divergence against the MACD and the RSI, and with that we could be looking for a possibility for action to the upside here on NMR, right? Yeah, I can't say that. Thanks, Daniel. The sultry Latin sounds. I cannot do them right now. Kevin, thanks for being here. Sending me my tips for action. Dude, I really appreciate it, man. Thanks for being here, dude. It's all good. Don't worry about it, man. The fact that you guys come in here, it's payment enough for me. I really appreciate all the guys coming in here and just chilling, right? Always good to pull off the dailies and chill. Yeah, it's good to do that. Crypto donating app isn't working, by the way. Really? Did it go down? That'll be the one up coin. So I'm not sure. It might have, like, if something happened with the. Let's see if I can do this. Nah, it's working for me. I'm not sure if it's your app that's working though, but sometimes like my one up coin gets disconnected. You know, something happens with Coinbase and it goes out of sync, and then it's a problem to reconnect it. But it's working so far. So yeah, on my end, it's working fine. Yo, the false flags. Thanks for that, man. I appreciate it. Right, so higher, nothing bearish here, right? Look, high, low, some bearish divergence here, but not to this high, higher, higher, and from back here, would this be the one that does this coin in? 7304, 72, slightly lower. Oh, it's so insane. Yeah, this is the only thing I can find. That strong bearish divergence, actually downside. It's the only thing I can find that could kind of sort of suit the narrative of the bearish divergence. Again, I'm not hunting for the information, right? I'm going for the highest point on the RSI to the new highest point, and with that we notice that we have this divergence. A little lower negative, less negative. Right, with that we have that bullish divergence. Section to the upside, high, low again, dude. I think we have a resistance up here, right? So we have this strong bullish divergence, right? Lately, fraction to the upside. Yay. But again, I'm gonna actually re-anchor this and go to the wicks. I'm gonna go from this wick actually, and then go to the other ones. I think I'm gonna get better touch points here. Nope. All right, so I'm gonna go with the bodies then. Body, and wick, I guess. Right, we go with this. Yeah, that works. All right, so we're hitting resistance consistently. And this move up, we're gonna have that 20 to look forward to. If we manage to get above that 20 moving average on the bullish divergence, we could be trying to get above that resistance now, right? I'm gonna change this to blue. That way we know that we're looking for our resistance here. trying to amp the AMP. That's cool, man. Again, that's it for NMR. Let's get a band. What's your name? Band. James Band. Let's go here, man. Band. What's the band doing, dude? Let's suck on something. You're looking for some bearish divergence, like we said, right? Chance it might not play out of there. Didn't play out. Went to, like, you know, highs, right? I'm not sure who requested band, but we're doing band now. And the last thing we have is a hidden bullish, pumping in that. That's awesome. We get above the previous 100% high, headed for that 1618, failed below the previous 100% high. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. We're looking for some bearishness here. Same narrative, right? Chances that it might not play out. Actually, what I do here, it's like I'm gonna re-anchor. High to low, right? Still, so then bearish divergence strong, moving down slightly, pumping up more. All right, see what I did there, man? There we go. Dude, let's go to the 4-hour here. $26, $27, $26, $25, slightly higher, so I cannot call it from here. From here to here, just on this last bit, so strong bearish divergence still. Fraction to the downside, right? Again, this one could track all the way to here. That should mean that this tracks all the way to there, right? So strong bearish divergence, moving down to that, low, high, negative, more negative, right? So there is some strong, some hidden bullish divergence right now. Hidden bullish, potential fraction to the upside, or at least stagnation to happen there, man. Gordon, you requested band. Oh, dude, thank you for being here still, man. I know you requested a while back. It's just, the list just grows so quickly, man. Yeah, it takes me time to go through it, but thank you very much for being here, man. Anyways, right now, neutral at 45.26. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Short term, there's strong bearish divergence, right? From here to here. And from here to here, right? And two counts. Let's say from here to here. Right? And then from here to here. So that's what we move down. We also have it against the RSI. I'm just going to draw it here on a straight shot. He's going to hit 2 points. This one, this one. We're breaking down with that. Now, the important thing is what we're doing now short term. And all I can see is this strong bullish divergence starting to develop here, right? Low to high. And here we don't have it against the against the MACD, but against the RSI we have it. Strong bullish divergence. Potential fraction to the upside. We're moving sideways a little bit right now. Oh, thank you, Gordon. I appreciate that, man. That means a lot. And thanks for being here, man.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Sorry if my throat's starting to go a little bit weird and raspy, so I think it's from all the laughter and everything. And that it's not 100% there, but that's why I'm going to end it up after, 2 more coins. So I'm going to take a band, single, and CTSI. 2 more coins. I'm going to take some rest there for the throat. Here we had some hidden bearish, right? In case you're wondering why we drop more. So I'm trying to get the narrative for this coin, basically. Look at the history, see what kind of happened, see what's going on here. Here we had some strong bullish divergence for that pump, right? Hearing that pump, so good. Sold at 35.75. That is it for band. Right. Again, some bullish divergence strong. Let's see if we can manifest it to action to the upside. That would be really cool. I would really love to see that on this project. Let's go to 1. Let's get the stomping on this Air Force Ones, right? All right, so we hit the 3618. That's fine. Oh, dude, I zoomed out too much. Opposite. Wait, there we go. All right, 3.79. Great, that's what we hit. 3.79 cents. Again, we might have created something bearish here. 89.47.88. So yeah, slightly lower. GLT is putting up a fight. Great. Someone get Don King out here, because GRT's putting up a fight. He's overbought at 76.88. So again, bearish divergence, action downside, finding support at the 2618. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. All right, low, high, positive, more positive, high, higher, high. Hidden bullish, running up on that. Dude, here I'm actually gonna have to zoom in because it's hard to tell here. Where did they close? 351. Okay, so I'm just gonna read the numbers after the zero, right? So 35112 350. So slightly less, but again, it's close enough where we can just say the set was motion, right? And then high to low, and high to low. So with that, we have some bearish divergence, fraction downside, strong, medium bearish divergence. Fraction downside, moving down on that, that's fine. We don't have anything bullish right now. Hidden bullish, making us go higher. Now some medium bearish divergence, making us go down. Getting very close to that 20, which would have been the primary target. We haven't quite hit it. We could try to go ahead and hit it again. It wouldn't be weird if we went there. The question is if that move is going to get us enough movement to a downside for us to create some kind of hidden bullish divergence, right? That's what I'm trying to see, but it's not there right now. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Hello. Neutral at 48.32 right now. Bearish divergence, failed to get higher in the previous high. So we're in continuation of the bearishness. And then we created some hidden bullish here. So again, sorry if I went silent there for a second. I was looking at the chart and trying to make sense of it because I wasn't finding some things that I was trying to look at for. Some hidden bullish, pumped, failed to get higher in the previous high. Those were dropping again, right? Lower still. And then negative, less negative. So strong bullish divergence against the MACD. Nothing against the RSI. And with that, we're getting this very, very nice pump. So strong bullish divergence, getting to that 20, rejecting it right now. Let's see if we can keep hold of this strong bullish divergence to make this price go higher for Harmony, right? For one. Let's move on to SNGLS. I'm not sure what that project is, but we'll check it out. SNGLS. Singular DTV. Awesome, dude. I'm not sure what this project does, but we'll go. Someone said against Bitcoin, though, so we'll go against this one. Right, so 29 sats. Some daily. Dude, there's some bearish divergence. Strong. I'm not going to go into the history of the project right now. I'm just going to look at the recent stuff, right? There's some strong bearish divergence. Section of downside. Low, high, negative, positive, low. I'm actually going to have to make this a little bit larger here. Slightly lower. Great. It is very slight, but it's there, right? Lower, and then low, high. Again, hidden bullish divergence pumped that. Strong bearish divergence moving us down, right? Strong bearish divergence action to the downside. It could be trying to head for that 20 moving average at 2.4 sats. Let's go to the 4-hour chart now. Yeah, no problem, Crispy. Thanks for being here, man. Yo, because this chick don't even know the name of my band, right? But they're all over me like they want to hold hands. Four-hour chart, man. My band. Strong bearish divergence, action to downside. Again, some hidden bullish coming into the rescue, trying to get this to go higher a little bit. By the way, for those of you that don't know, I was quoting some Eminem. I was dropping some knowledge from Eminem on the chat, man. Anyways, guys, if you like what we do, hit like the bells and the sub. Join us on the Discord. Links in the description. Mariano Blanco, saludos de Buenos Aires. Oh, dude, great. Saludos a Buenos Aires. Simon, yeah, we were talking about that the other day, right? The 50K and the resistances. So it's good, man. Bitcoin, yeah, I'll recap it in a second, Aaron. Neutral at 45.80. Great, that's it for this one on the 4-hour. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. How things in Argentina for crypto, man? I know you cannot hold a lot of foreign monies, but I'm not sure how crypto's being handled there. I'm actually interested in that. Giacomo, saludos a Chile, man. And there was a huge resistance there also, Simon, by the way. So Bitcoin also had a resistance. Let's do this on the 1-hour chart. There we go. Right on, dude. Again, high to low here. So there's some strong bearish divergence. Section of downside moving down. Low, high. Negative, more negative. Great. Some hidden bullish against the RSI. This is the last thing I'm going to call for this, man. Again, this project don't look too good right now. 2.8 sats. I can try to recover a little bit, but that's fine. Even from way back here. Right, we're still holding on to some hidden bullish. So again, we could be trying to move sideways or recover a little bit there, man. We'll see. Crypto's the solution for the government restrictions there. Yeah, I know it's tough there, man. I hope you're doing good there. I know the government is putting a lot of restrictions, man. Tiago, Brazil. Ah, good, man. I don't speak Portuguese. I'm sorry, man. Oh, so I would say hi to Brazil in Portuguese, but hi to Brazil in English. And yeah, TSI, man. I haven't looked at this one either, but we might be able to look at it. Someone who requested this one? I think it was Mark. Jonathan, I already closed the request, man. But thank you for asking, dude. Honduras. Hola, Andrea. Thank you for being here. Hell de Janeiro. Portugal. Yeah, we have a lot of people from all over the world, man. That's so amazing. There was so many people from all over the world come here to watch this channel. I mean, we're tiny, but it's a good channel. I like it. And I like the fact that we're building a really, really cool community. And I appreciate y'all. Texas in the house. How do you know Spanish? I'm in Mexico, Alejandro. I'm Mexican and I live in Mexico, so that's how I know Spanish. All right, CTSI. I didn't come with an encounter, so I'm gonna go to Tether. We'll see how it's doing against the dollar. All right, so CTSI. Let's go on daily, man. We said this project was young and didn't have a lot of information there, Mark. So I think it has a lot of information there. Got a lot of people from Texas. That's cool, man. Manhattan Beach, California. Awesome. Let's hope so. The last hollow, dude. We've been struggling with 2.8K for a while, man. I speak English and Southern English. How did you speak Alabamese? What do you think about Corona beer? It's okay. I don't drink it a lot, but it's okay. I used to make my own beer a while back before I had kids. So I like my own beer better than Corona. I should stop making beer because of the kids, because I'm working with very hot liquids. It was in danger, so maybe later on I can start making beer again. It said something here, Mark. Sorry. Let me check what it says. Nah, it's not on all the exchanges yet. I mean, if it's being pumped because someone is talking about it, some big YouTuber. I mean, that's the problem with big YouTubers, right? They talk about a project and it pumps, and sometimes doesn't really reflect the reality of what's happening with the projects, right? So it's like what happened with Doge and Elon, right? So Elon talked about it pump. Now we're seeing some kind of crash happening on Doge. Southern accent. Is it really the the funniest thing you heard? I lived in Oklahoma for a while, dude. I'm not sure if you consider that accent, but southern enough. But it's a good accent, though. Alabama. Oh, dude. The dump held. All right, well, I'll check it out, man, right? Corona for the win. Send all cases. We'll see, man. We'll see. Holy crap. What? Holy crap, dude. What happened? You just said, oh, holy crap. Tuscaloosa, Alabama. Roll the Tide. Tuscaloosa. Awesome, dude. Bless your heart. Norman, Oklahoma? Dude, I lived in Tulsa for a while. That's cool, man. I know where Norman is. I lived in Tulsa for like 5 years. That's so cool. Yo, Money, what's up, dude? Yeah, you missed some crazy stuff. It was insane earlier today. Rewind, watch the first 40 minutes. Anyways, even from back here, right? Okay, while you were, like, you know, enjoying the chat, I'm still looking here. High, higher, positive, more positive, right? High, higher on the other side. So that's that. Coming down, 0.18. That's it. Nothing bearish here. 4 hour, there was some bearish divergence. So I'm glad that we at least are finding something here for the action to the downside, right? So from here to here and from here to here. Moving down now, low, high, negative, more negative. With that, we have that hidden bullish divergence. I'm just going to anchor it from here. I mean, we could anchor it from here, but we're going to go over data. It works the same way, right? I'm not just doing anything different. And then from here to here as well, right? So we got some hidden bullish. We might be trying to get some support happening around this area. But again, remember what I've told you, right? Hidden bullish is a tricky thing. It's finicky. It could still drop all the way almost down here, and you still have that hidden bullish divergence direction to the upside, right? DFW, Dallas Fort Worth, or what DFW, dude? That's the only DFW I know. Bless your heart. And burn pause, buy high, sell low. Yo, thanks for being here, David P. Yeah. Let's roll, man. Let's go to the 1 hour chart and see what we have there. And this one's gonna basically close the stream. All right, so first thing's a big pump, right? After this, I'm gonna go and just do recaps, and then that's gonna be it, guys. It's still early enough for me to where I can, go catch a movie with the wife and enjoy some wine and cheese and maybe even popcorn or something. We'll see. It was a good night. It was a good day today. So, dude, I made some killer ribs. So, by the way, it's the first time I have not done ribs in the queue, and they came out amazing, dude. I did them in the Ninja Foodie that we have, and I never thought about making ribs there. Dude, it was so quick. I mean, you don't have that smoke ring. You don't have the whole thing, you know, the whole process that comes with doing them on the queue, right? But dude, it was so quick. I had ribs in 45 minutes, man, and they were like fall off the bone tender, man. That was insanely quick. I mean, I hate doing them like that, but it was a really quick way to make them, and they were tasty, bro. They were tasty. I made a killer rub for them, so it was really good. If you're doing your trade, you don't use a stop loss. Yeah, look, higher power. I will tell you what, man. You remember when I've been saying like the market's really bullish, there are chances it might go down. If the market's super bullish, and it could still go on pumping more, but there's a chance, for example, with the bearish divergence that we've been detecting, that there's a chance that the market might go down, and you're worried about, like, you know, you're going to sleep and the market might move down against your position because it is super bullish, but there's some bearish divergence there that might trigger you set up a stop loss, right? Just in case you're asleep and, you know, it just drops. I'll write that one down because I'm not sure if I'm going to remember it by tomorrow. So, yeah. I'll check him out, man. That winery. See what that. Jake says his stop losses are liquidation. That's fine. All right, on. So let's see. Lower, man. I mean, we do have some islands here of positive momentum. I don't want to go over them, so I'll ignore this one here. You know, I'll just take it by parts. It's gonna be the same thing almost. So, well, let's just do this right while we're here. And from here to here. Right there, yep, from here to here. Right, so we have some bullish divergence, strong against the MACD twice, right? From here to here, and then we don't have it against the RSI. And then this last bit, we don't have it against the MACD, but we're making it against the RSI. I'm actually gonna measure here. Yeah, definitely more negative momentum there. And lower. And yeah, from here to here. All right, so some strong bullish divergence also. For potential action to the upside, we might see some stalling happening, but we're seeing a lot of weakness around the 20. We just failed to get above that area. And when in doubt, I mean, you can always reposition your charts to where it makes sense for you, right? But something that I'm noticing here would be this line here. Right, a resistance line also. Not just a 20, but a resistance line that we have there, right? So this bullish divergence needs to break that resistance for it to be confirmed and go higher. We rarely talk about confirmation of the bullish divergence. I don't talk a lot about it here. I know that, but there's ways to confirm whether or not the bullish divergence is going to trigger, or try to confirm whether or not the bullish divergence is going to trigger, right? One of them is, do we have a resistance that we need to break above? Like in this case, right? We have a resistance that we need to break above. Sometimes I just look at it and I know where the resistance is. I don't chart it a lot. I don't talk about it a lot, but that's fine. The other one's down here on the RSI. If we have a strong bullish divergence, we were expecting to see the RSI start point the other way, right? Like for example, here, we had the bullish divergence. And look at what happened with the RSI, right? We don't have it here against RSI, but let's say we had it against RSI. We would expect to see some kind of V-shaped movement, right? Like here and then up, right? To indicate that the price wants to change trends, or that the strength that we're having is going to change trends, right? So that's stuff that we want to look at when you're confirming divergence. So first of all, are we getting a shift here, right? If I move this, you're going to see that we're not getting it here against the RSI. So there's chances it might not play out yet. It could keep on building a little bit more. And you'll be looking for obviously the price action to the upside and then breaking that resistance to confirm it. But that's things that we look at, right? Anyways. What else is happening here? Cheers, UK. Awesome, dude. Thank you for being here from UK. That's it for CTS. Hi, dude. By the way, let's go and check out Bitcoin now. Bitcoin 46,600. Great. Oh, we're breaking below that area, 46,800. Oh, dude. Are we going to do something? So again, we know here Bitcoin. I'm going to delete some stuff on the chart. I just going to make it clearer. not this one, this Bitcoin chart, right? We had resistance, right? Rising wedge. Breaking the downside, target for the rising wedge at around 43K. Could get Ethereum down to 1,100 and change, maybe 1,000s. We'll see how that drop's going to affect Ethereum. Right now, Ethereum is dropping about the same as Bitcoin, not so much difference right now. But here we're looking at this potential head and shoulders, right? Bullish continuation head and shoulders. We don't have it. We obviously failed to break up above this area. We're no longer in this head and shoulders, so I'm going to remove this pattern. It's going to clear up the chart a lot more. Oh no, I'm deleting the all-time high. Bring it back. Here we go. Right, and we had this whole line of resistance, right? That could have become support, but it's not, right? We're below it, so I'm going to remove it now because we broke it to the upside, right? So here, I had this line. Right, I had this line in the bullish divergence. So we felt to drop lower in the previous low, continuation pumping up higher, right? So that's what we're looking at here. So that's why we had this support, like this resistance line. So I've been drawing them lately for you guys to be able to look at them, but I rarely draw them, right? Sometimes I just don't look for them. What is the sentiment? Is crypto over? Oh, dude, really? That, like, it just moved down 4%. Are we gonna kill it over again? Tim, dude, I would say chill, man. Like, it could move down a lot more. We haven't gotten a real good pullback yet. We have not gotten a 40% pullback yet, and we're waiting for one. So, crypto's not done, man. Crypto not down by any means. Again, Bitcoin doesn't have anything bullish, unfortunately, right now. It's just sitting sold. And it's not bad that we hit sold. Look at that. Last time we were sold here, 31.32. We pumped back up and then slightly hit new all-time high. So we could be slowly climbing back to an all-time high. I mean, remember, the wedge can shift, right? The wedge could turn into a channel. How can it turn into a channel? You might say it's sorcery. It's not. Look, here we had the bearish divergence, right? Again, I'm missing the counter here. So we're going higher. Positive high to low, right? But again, with that, we were expecting action to downside. I traced this line as a resistance or as a support. We broke it to the downside, so we knew we're probably going to move down on that, and we did move down on that. So I'm going to get rid of this line here, and I'm going to show the channel that I'm talking about, right? Again, it'll still be upsloping, right? There we go, and here we go, right? That's more or less what I'm looking at right now. We could have shifted a wedge into a channel, right? I mean, things change, and part of doing analysis is shifting with it, just not shifting enough to, like, you know, it doesn't make any more sense. Now here it's like a question. Okay, so if we're in an upsloping channel, does it make sense where we're hitting? So we kind of dropped below the 50, but then we held support, right? Then becomes resistance. Then we held support 1, 2 times, right? Then 3 times broke resistance, right? Then support again at the mid part of the channel. Now we're finally breaking through, and now we're resisting it again. So yeah, it would make sense to believe that this could be a potential upsloping channel as well. But right now it's looking a little bit more like a rising wedge that we're breaking the downside. So there's possibilities on different ways to look at it. Again, if you're feeling bearish, you're probably going to sit down and look at analysis, and everything's going to look extremely bearish. And if you're feeling bullish, you're going to be finding you're going to try to be finding a lot of bullish stuff, right? You're just going to be a little bit neutral when you analyze. So when you're looking at a chart, just don't put heart into it. Don't put like mind into it. Just look at what's there and instantly flows, right? Don't hunt for data. Don't try to make data or force data onto the chart to where it's like it fits your narrative, because the only thing you're doing there is just fooling yourself. So that's something that I would say don't do that, right? Again, this chart is telling a little bit of a different story, right? Low, high, negative, more negative. So while in this chart that we look at, we're dropping slightly lower, about the same low, right? And we don't have anything bullish right now. On this chart, we could say that we have some hidden bullish divergence. It's just very slight, but it's there, right? And we're creating something going low to high. Right? Again, we might get rid of this. So again, different charts have different anchor points. Just remember that as well. So it's healthy to look at different charts. Negative, more negative, and low, lower, right? So we could be creating some hidden bullish. You could try to like stall the drop, right, on Bitcoin. On this chart doesn't have it, right? It's just going sideways a little bit. So again, waiting for something to develop strongly here. And so we're going to bounce on Bitcoin. All right, that's it. Sell all your Bitcoin. Oh, that's interesting. Good luck with that. One quick second. I'm back. Thank you guys for sticking with me through that small intermission. That's it right now, right? So that's what we're looking at. It's pulling back up a little bit. That's fine. We're starting to create that hidden divergence here as well now. Right here now, and from here to here, and from here to here as well. All right, lower still. So Bitcoin not doing that bad right now. I think that's going to be it for Bitcoin. Let's move on to, I think, Ethereum, Binance, and XLM, and that's going to be it for the recap. So, Ethereum. $1,718 again, below the 1,729. We're going to try to reclaim it. We don't have anything right now. Lower. I think we have more negative momentum for some reason. More negative, definitely. Lower still. So I'm not finding anything bullish right now for Ethereum. If Bitcoin pumps, Ethereum could follow along. But right now, again, remember, Bitcoin's like on a mission to hit a measure move, right? What am I using for stream? What do you mean, what am I using for stream? OBS. And camera, it's a Logitech C22, but I think this week you're definitely going to see an upgrade in the image because I got my Canon yesterday, thanks to your kind donations and support. And I already got the tripod. Cambling's supposed to be coming in tomorrow. Dummy battery's supposed to be coming in tomorrow. And if I can set everything up, I might have a better quality image by tomorrow, if not the day after. So, and then the chair is going to be coming in throughout the week. And I think headphones also coming tomorrow. So there's going to be an overall improvement on the stream. Dude, it's just I'm sharing the screen, but I'm using OBS. So this actually is my browser. Just cannot see the whole screen, but you know, we could go here and look at the free ingredient index, I guess, right? So I'm just sharing the browser. I'm actually only sharing a part of my screen, not the whole screen. But thanks, man. I appreciate the comment. Yeah, it's a lot of effort going into this stream. And a lot of little tweaks that we've been doing here lately, right? Anyways. So Ethereum, that's it. Let's go to Binance was the next one. Binance, $125. I mean, yeah, we're looking for some kind of divergence here. We lost it, right? I think we're dropping much lower, so more negative. Yeah, more negative. So we're kind of losing whatever kind of hidden or medium, medium bullish divergence we're looking for. We don't even have strong bullish divergence, right? So we just kind of lost it. that's it for Binance. Let's go check out XLM. Right. So this is not the excellent chart. Again, it's this one. Still do nothing, right? Low, high. We had that hidden bullish pump, hit that 20 rejecting. So I'm not really seeing a lot here. All right. So on XLM, I guess, yeah, we could say that this could track, right? This can track now because we were on the last candle, right? When we did XLM, we were on this candle still, right? Or this candle still. But now that we actually close this, right? We can see that this is definitely more negative than this one. So now we can actually track this divergence to here and say, look, we still have hidden bullish divergence now in XLM for potential action to the upside. Yes. Recaps do work for something. Again, if you like what we do, hit the like, the button, the sub. To everyone that's here, we're about to sign off in a second. Thank you all for joining me tonight. That's it for XLM. That's the last recap. That's gonna be it for the stream, guys. Again, not trying to keep them short or anything. We did do 22 projects out of 30 that we should take on. GRT updates, sure, man. I'll do it real quick, Andrew. No worries. But today is a special day, you know, and I gotta go and be with the wife for a little bit. So enjoy a movie and stuff. So I was with the family throughout the day. It was a really cool day. And again, still gonna make the most of it. All right, so now we have stuff going on here that we can actually chart. For some reason, I don't have it here on GRT. Did we not look at GRT? Oh, we looked at this chart on GRT. That's why. I was like, why don't we have the divergence? Did we not do a GRT or something? All right, so this is the main GRT chart that we'll look at. I'm just gonna draw what we have here again. All right, because for some reason I have it on the other one, but not on this one. And I want to keep my charts more or less in sync. So again, we had that hidden bullish, right? Waiting for it to play out. We had it on this chart. Again, just waiting for it to play out. Very close to support. Now, think about this, Andrew, right? Is it a position where it could still drop, right, to the 382 here, right? You still drop here and still make a lot less negative momentum than what he had back here, right? And still have that strong bullish divergence, right? It's not hidden, it's strong bullish divergence. Or if I say hidden earlier, for some reason I was mixing up my hiddens and my strong divergences. But we have strong bullish divergence, right, for potential action to the upside. And with that, we could be expecting that action to the upside. Now, it could still come down to this level, right, as support, where we already hit a couple times support, and we're rejecting lower prices at $1.79. So we can see that happening, right? It wouldn't be weird for me if we see the price hit this area with a strong bullish divergence and then try to see a pump from there. You wouldn't be making a valid retrace to that 382. Deep retraces go to that 618 or that 786. I'm not sure if we're going to get that deep for retrace, but right now, at least to here, it's fine. It would all count as down sloping consolidation of some sort, right? So if you look at something here, just draw a line like this maybe, and then draw a line like this maybe, right? So it's looking like a fallen wedge, right? And fallen wedges are bullish. So again, I didn't cover this earlier. Sometimes, you know, skip over some stuff inadvertently. Just on the recap, I just noticed that we had this and I hadn't called it, so I'm calling it now. It's having this hidden, it's not hidden, it has strong bullish divergence and we have a fallen wedge. So chances are that we're trying to hold on to support here on the wedge and maybe try to pump on that, right? They tend to break to the upside. I also like it when the bulls hide the divergence. Please stall. Awesome. Yeah. What's up, Ray Imperador? Oh. No worries. He retracted the message. Let's keep rolling. That's gonna be it, man. Please talk about Reef, dude. I'm about to sign off, Ray. I've been live for 2 hours and 50 minutes. It is St. Valentine's Day still today, and you spend time with the wife, dude. So, damn for that, man. I can talk about it tomorrow if you come in, man. For reals. So tomorrow will probably be a regular sized stream, meaning we'll probably go over 30 coins. Yesterday we did also go a little bit over 30. Yesterday we did 20, yeah, like around 20, yeah, 25 coins or so, maybe more. And the Bears and the Bulls. If the Bears were to enter the Indianapolis 500s, who would win? Well, if only the Bears are entering, they would win, right? Shadow Supra. Is it really dropping that much? Or something like that? I'm not sure why you're saying it's doing. It just said some weird stuff that I cannot read live. And I'm going to check it out real quick. Again, I'm not going to do the analysis for it. I just want to see where it's at. Ooh, Doge. At 5. It's dropping. Oh my goodness. Going back to the previous 100%. Still above that 20. It's not that bad. We had the bearish divergence. Call it a while back. So. And I told you I was not going to participate in Dodge. Anyways, 46,700. Looks like it wants to move up a little bit on the Bitcoin. We'll see if we can reclaim 46,834. That'll be good. That could actually give us an area for bounce and go higher. Ooh, that's gonna be cool, Jake. Guys, thank you for joining me tonight for an awesome edition of Crypto. This night was for real. It's unforgettable. You guys made it so, and it's such a cool night to be here. I really appreciate y'all. I really appreciate all the support they give to this channel. I love the community that we're building. I love the support they give me for reals. Thank you for joining me tonight for another edition of Steady Crypto. Again, remember, all the content that we produce here is for entertainment and education purpose only. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, and to your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. If you really want to help this channel to grow, and like, that's fine. Like, if you say, man, I can't donate, that's fine. I never ask for donations, right? But if you really want to help this channel to grow, like retweet or tweets when we go live. That will help bring more attention to the channel. I'm really trying to get this channel to grow, to build an awesome community about like-minded individuals regarding cryptocurrencies. So the best way, like, you can help me right now, it's actually by retweeting our tweets and by helping us grow the community. Yo, Jorge Tobar, happy Valentine's Day to you too, man. Yeah, with 3 more likes to 150, that's awesome, dude. Deuces, man. Peace out. Again, guys, thank you for joining me tonight. Again, I'll be here tomorrow again for another edition of Steady Crypto. Until then.